Let me see. It reconnected. Let me see if it's gonna work. Let me see. All right, let me see. I think we got it. I think we got it. I think we good. I think we good. I think we good. I think we finally got it. Showing excellent. I think we good, guys. I think we good. Let me set it. Let me reset it. All right, guys. Are we good? Are we good? I think right now. I think it's running. I think we got it running now. I think we got it running. I think we got it running now, boss, guys. I think we got it. I think we got it finally. Man. Yeah, I think we good to go, guys. I think we're good to go. Let me take out the old YouTube, man. Oh God, this thing is driving me nuts, man. All right, let me fix my screens. How we looking, guys? How we looking? How we looking? I think I got it fixed. I think I got it fixed. All right, I think we should be back to normal now. I think we should be good. All right, guys, how we looking? How we looking? How we looking? Let me put in my chat box for my Twitch. Yeah, Twitch, guys, man, I do apologize, man, for this inconvenience, man. It just been crashing. Like OBS been crashing nonstop, man. I do apologize. I apologize to you guys for this, man. I do not mean to do this. Damn things keeps crashing on me. All right, I think we should be back to normal. I think we should be back to normal. All right. All right, guys, how are we? Are we good? Are we good to go? We back? We back? Hit me up in Traedcaster. Let me know if we back, guys. We back? Okay, cool. Man, it kept, like the OBS just kept crashing. I mean, not the Twitch. The Twitch side was fine. The YouTube for some reason kept crashing. I don't know what the hell was going on. It just kept crashing on me. Let me see. Let me check my All right, cool. So everything's running on as far as Traedcaster. So yeah, guys, we back, man. We back. Everything's looking good. Everything's looking good. Man. All right, so right now, guys, so far we are looking, we are still testing that area, guys. We're now in the demand zone area. So right now, let's see if those let's see if those bears can take out that 554.50 down to that 552. Because right now we're still getting this downtrend set up. We're still getting some downside. Let's see, can the bears take it out, or will the buyers hold this area once again? Now, if we do lose 554.50, you gotta keep in mind the lows we came down to was 552. That was what day was this? That was Tuesday. So Tuesday we came down. Let me take this out real quick. So we came down as low as 552. Those were your other lows. So once you crack that 554.50, you had the lows of 552 level. So definitely keep that on watch. So we are entering back into this demand zone. So bears are stepping in. Bears are definitely trying to take this level out, guys. Definitely trying to take it out. So let's see. Can we close? Let's see how we're gonna close this candle. Now we're in the Now we're in the bullish. We're in the bulls territory. So let's see how we're gonna close this candle. So right now, bears are coming in. Cause like I said, guys, I still think we may see 540. I'm just gonna be honest. I mean, in some shape, form, or fashion, I still think we're gonna see 540 in due time. I'm just gonna be honest with you. So right now, bears are creeping right into the bulls territories, guys. Bears are creeping in. Bears are creeping in. So what we got left on this candle? We got about 2 minutes. 2 minutes left. And them bears are coming into this territory. And those bears are trying to close that candle inside of that demand zone. So let's see what's about to happen. Can the bulls hold that level, that floor level, and push back out? Or will the bears overpower those bulls and take them out? Because right now, bears are slowly creeping into the demand zone. I mean, we steady just fading on down. We still fading. Still fading. So let's see what's going to happen on this candle. Will that candle close underneath, or will those buyers hold above that price point? So let's see, guys. So pretty much, if buyers can hold above 554.50, that means that those buyers are still holding that floor. Now, what bears would need to do is crack underneath the 554.50. So right now, watch that price level. Let's see on how this candle is going to close. If the candle closes underneath 554.50, that means that the bears are taking over. If we stay above that price point, that means that the bulls are still holding that level. So keep that on watch. Keep that on watch. If the bulls can hold that key level, I mean, it's a possibility that we could see a possible red to green. But right now, that candle is still pushing underneath. Look right there. Bears are still coming in. What we got left? Shit, we got about 1 minute left, and we still closing underneath. I mean, look at that. Those bears are entering the bulls territory. So keep that on watch. Bro, man, I know. Bro, man, the weather been so up and down, man. That's why my kid been sick. I mean, the weather been like 1 minute it's hot, then it's cool, then it's cold, then it's raining, then it's like, what the hell? It's like, God, dog. It's like, boss, even Mother Nature pissed off at the economy. It's like, even she mad. It's like, what's going on? So right now, guys, we got 5 seconds and we still underneath the 554.50 level. Underneath 554.50. We closed underneath it. Bears got it. Boom. Closed underneath it. So right now, the bears are entering the bulls territory right now. So if they can get a crack underneath that 554 level, guys, you have room to fall back down to that possible 552 level, back down towards Tuesday's lows. We came all the way back down to 552. 552 level. So keep that on watch. Man, hell no, don't mess with Mother Nature. Oh no, boss. Oh no. That ain't nothing to play with, man. I stay away from Mother Nature. But sometimes she may be on her rag every now and then, though, boss. She may be on her rag every now and then. You know, she kind of act a little funny. So what I'm gonna do is, guys, let me instead of making it green, I'm gonna make it gray so we be able to see it. So I'm gonna make it gray. So we're gonna watch with inside of this demand zone. So we're gonna watch inside of it. So remember, this is the demand zone. This is the buyer's territory. So let's see, because right now that candle has closed underneath that 554.50. So we already know that sellers are trying to take out 554. If they can take out 554, they're aiming for 552. They're aiming for 552. We can see a lower pullback, another pullback coming. So keep that on watch where we can drop down even lower. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Let's see. If they crack 554, I'm telling you, they're aiming for 552. Because like every $2 increments, they like to go after. Think about it. 560, 558, 556, 554, 552. So right now, where we at? 554. So right now, I mean, bears are entering that territory and bulls are having a hard time pushing them out. They're having a little bit of a hard time trying to push them out. Bears are coming. Look at this. Bears are now entering the bulls territory. Look at this. I mean, no pushback yet from the bulls yet. Not yet. I mean, bears are literally entering that territory. I mean, we pulling back even lower, guys. This is crazy. Let's see. Let's see. Can buyers keep those bulls? I mean, can the bulls keep the bears out of their territory and push them back out? In other words, can the buyers get back above 554.50, 555 for the possible run back up, for the push back up?
Hustle and Flow 666 says, Jay is calling it now SPY20 LOLJ/J.
Man, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, boss. What's up, Hustle, man? Hope you're having a blessed one, man. Thank you so much, man. I was having trouble. I couldn't even get in a trade today because I was so busy trying to reset the dang OBS. I missed out on trade after trade, trying to reset everything. Everything kept crashing on me. I was missing trade after freaking trade. I missed this one because the damn OBS crashed. I had to reset. I was like, man. But everything's so far running good. Now we back to normal as far as the YouTube. I mean, Twitch was running fine, but the dang YouTube kept crashing on me. And that's the main source that I use for Traedcast and everything else. Look like I might have to I might have to switch it. Cause YouTube is my go-to, and this thing keep acting up like that. I might have to switch over to Twitch. That might have to be the main source. Cause Twitch runs fine. It just YouTube just has the error every now and then. So right now, let's see, guys. Let's see where we go. Cause Bulls are trying to push those bears back out. They're trying to push them back out. Let's see. Can they survive that push? Can they get those bears out of it? Because they're trying to kick them out of their territory. What we got left on this count? We still got some time. So we still got about almost 10 minutes. Almost 10 minutes in. But I mean, them bears are coming. Them bears are coming right now, man. It's Brent and Hustle. Did y'all see my setup? My prediction on what I think the market could possibly do if we don't get back above 560? Did y'all see my prediction? Who else? Nate. Oh, okay, let me show y'all. So I got 2 case scenarios. What could possibly happen? Possibly. All right, well, you seen it. Okay, possibly. This is my prediction, Hustle. What I'm thinking could happen if we don't get back above 560. So, this is my prediction. I got 2 case scenarios. I got case scenario number 1, where we could pull all the way back down to the 540s, back up to the 560s, and get a rejection back down, which would give us an inverted head and shoulders. That's case scenario number 1. Case scenario number 2 is if we wind up holding 540, but staying in that range of 540, 560, when we get that move back up toward the upside. Now, the reason why I'm stating this is because we have not got a pattern on that side yet. This side we got a pattern. We're seeing a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, where we build up towards those price points. Here is just a straight drop down. So we have no pattern yet. So if we were to bounce up a 540 and run up to 560 and get rejected, that'll be your second point. Because if we look at it from a downtrend standpoint, I'll draw it out real quick. I did this earlier. You'll have point number 1 would be here. And then if you do a downtrend setup, that'll be point number 2. So you have number 2 right here, number 1 right here, which will create some type of pattern. If you look at it from that frame. So that'll be the 540 level. If 540 can hold, we get that run back on up to 560 and so forth. Now, the reason why I'm calling out these price points is because if we go back in the past, where did we have this? We were back in the same old channel that we were in last year in August. We ran up to 563.50, 564, where we got rejected and pulled back down to the 540s. Then from the 540s, we pushed our way back up to 560 and got that breakout, which we had a $20 pull back and a $20 push back up. That's the second case scenario if that 540, wind up holding. Now again, the first case scenario was take this one off. First case scenario was the head and shoulders pattern, inverted head and shoulders pattern, which was this one. So still got a downtrend setup on that one. So we put that one same price point, which would be here. Oops, I'm sorry, here to here.
Excellent flow 666 says, Jay, your puts are printing.
Yeah, see what I mean, boss? So again, we back in this old channel here. Look, 540, 560 in that same range. So again, we don't hold 560. We got room to fall back down to what? 540 for that possible 540 bounce. So we do have room to go from 540 back to 560, where we can start to see a pattern start to set on that side of the chart. So if that goes according to plan, and for the first case scenario, we can see a possible inverted head and shoulders. What that means that we'll have to see the price points of 540, 520, because you can see where the buyers stepped in at where we got those pullbacks. So from 560, you went down to 540. From 540, you went down to 520. Then from 520, you went back up to 540, then back up to 560. You can clearly see that setup. So same case scenario could happen on this setup here. So that's why I'm thinking that we could possibly see 540. So, and not just that. And another thing that I showed was this. Yep, what I told y'all. Bam. So if we take the same chart, the 180 chart, and flip it upside down from a put standpoint, you can see where the strongest area of, where the puts got rejected at on their, on their position. So we go back, and we go back. All right, take the same exact chart, right? This is from a call standpoint. Calls are falling. You're just going straight down. No pattern forming yet. But if we take the same chart again, but flip it upside down this time and look at it from a put standpoint, you can see right where the strongest resistance of your puts are at. And you can see right here that price point is going to be 540. So we go back here. You look at it from a put standpoint. You can clearly see from the put standpoint where that strong resistance is. So right now, this is from a put standpoint because your puts are going up as you fall. So if we go back a little bit, what did you get? Where was that strong resistance at? Because what was the strongest bounce at? 540. See right across the board. What was this? 540. And that thing can push towards that strong area where that bounce can occur is what? 540. That'll give you that complete U-shaped pattern on the puts contracts. So 540, 520. But the first one you're going to hit first is 540. So that's why I'm thinking that we could drop as low as 540. So, whew, I'm alright. I'm tired. I'm done. So I explained it. Done. Now y'all get it? Whew, I'm tired. I told y'all we could go down into that 540 range. I told you. 540 ranges. Everybody was calling me crazy. Man, you ain't going down no 540. Look where we at right now. Low 550s. Why I'm crazy? Why am I crazy? And look at this. Next key area again. 552 is gonna be the next area. That's gonna be that's gonna be them bottoms from Tuesday. Right here. See that? What was your lows? 552.02. You got room to fall down to what? 552.02. Now, if we crack that 552 level, then you got room to fall down to what? 550. From 550 on down, where you back at? 540s. So, just saying. But definitely keep your eyes peeled at 552. And do be careful puts as you do go down into that 552 range, because that's where your bias came in and you got that nice push back up towards the upside when you went from 552 all the way back up to that 564 level. So right now, look where we're pushing at. Man, would I lie to y'all? Would I lie to y'all? Look where we at. Brent, Hustle, Hoops, Dan, Nate. Am I lying? Am I lying, guys? Look where we at. 552.
666 G money.
I told y'all, man, this bad boy is crazy. Now, like I said, puts, do be careful, because psychologically, buyers may try to step in around 552, as we've seen right here before, when you have room to push back up to 554.
Yeah, this thing is going to crack hard today.
Yeah, so we may set up for another two-legged pullback. What could possibly happen? Possibly, because now you're underneath 554. It all depends on what the buyer's going to do at that 552 level. So, this is one case scenario. What could possibly happen? If we get this pullback all the way down to 552, we could try to retest that old area, 554.50, or we could see a two-legged pullback that could put us down towards 550. So that's case scenario number one. However, if that's a big strong ass if buyers can get that rebound all the way and reclaim 554,
especially after all the data.
yeah, because nothing helped.
Still dumping.
Yeah, because CPI data didn't help, PPI data didn't help, initial jobless claims didn't help, nothing helped. And then tomorrow you got consumer sentiments. So if, and like I said, it's a strong ass if buyers can get back above that 554.50, you have room to push back up toward these areas right here around that 559 level. You know, if buyers can step back into the plate, that'll break you out of this downtrend setup. So it all depends what's about to take place from this 552 to 554 level for that possible bounce back up. So as you get closer and closer to 552, you may get a potential bounce. So puts, do be careful. Do be careful. Now, if you want to see more downside, you already know what price point you have to crack. 552. Because if y'all notice, if you go across the board on the 15-minute time frame, none of the bodies of the candles have crossed over towards that downside yet. So that means that area can still be a strong demand zone. So keep that on watch, because this level here is separating you, the bulls and the bears. Because as long as you stay on top of 552, you're still bullish on this side of that border. If you crack 552, now you be going from the bullish side of things to now the bearish side of things, because that strong support could possibly turn into strong resistance. So you do have room, again, floor 552 level. So keep it on watch. You already got buy stepping in right at 552, trying to get that push back above 554.50. So that's why I was telling push to be careful. right around. You're still in this demand zone where buyers can be trying to step in. So be very careful on that. It's only when we crack 552, then, we can continue on down. But you got to keep in mind that we have to crack, because we're going to have to bypass the bull territory in order to turn this demand zone into another supply zone. So in order to change this from green to red, we're going to have to crack it. But till then, this is still considered a demand zone where buyers can still step in and go for a possible pushback up. So you got to keep that in mind. Look at that. Look at that buying pressure stepping in. Look at the buying pressure stepping in slowly. So keep it on watch. We'll see. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. But we do have, in order for us to see more downside, we got to crack 552 in order to get to that 550 level. But buyers will try to stop you from getting to that point, because this is a strong demand zone, 552, 554. So you gotta keep that on watch. Keep it on watch. See where we go from here. Let's see how strong these buyers are gonna be. But right now, everything is still looking weak, because Tesla looks like it's making an inverted cup and handle pattern. That's still looking weak, because if it cracks, even on Tesla, if Tesla cracks 235 down to 230, that's going to put you right back in that downtrend setup. Because right now you're on top of it and trying to hold on top of 235, where you could get a little potential bounce. Now, if they crack 235 down into the 230, you're falling right back into that downtrend setup. So that means more downside could occur on Tesla, where we could see 225 back down into the 220s. So keep that on watch, because there does look like somewhat of an inverted cup and handle pattern that could be possibly setting itself up. So right now, like I told you, do expect some bullish activity around the 554, 552s, because this is still a demand zone. So you're still gonna get some bullish activity. That's still gonna happen. Now, what the buyers need to do, if they want to flip it, is they have to get back above 554, 50, 555 for the possible push back up towards, the areas of 550, 59, back up towards these highs. But right now, you're still getting a little bit of a fade. So keep this on watch. What time it is? 11:45, and then we're gonna have that 12 o'clock volume coming in too. So let's see. So for my puts, you gotta crack 552 in order for us to get down to that 550, because we'll be turning this demand zone into another supply zone. That means that those bears are taking over yet another level. In other words, we'll see more lower price points, basically back down to damn near the 540s. 540 levels. So just keep this on watch, because now you're in the bulls territory. Buyers will be trying to step in right here. So be very careful. So let's just keep it on watch. Now, if you caught these tops up here down to it, shout out to y'all. But watch it. Be careful in this area, because you are entering a demand zone in a bullish territory with the floor of 552. So definitely keep that on watch. Keep it on watch, because you're still slowly trending down. What we got left on this? Oh, this candle just started. So let's see how this candle is going to close out. So where would we need this candle to close? Well, for sure, we'll definitely need that candle to stay underneath 554.50, for sure. Because as every other candle behind it comes in, 554.50 is going to be resistance. Now, if we could get a pull, like I said, we get a pullback underneath 552, close underneath that, more pullback is coming, because you're going down to 550. So just definitely keep this on watch. Make sure they're not trying to set up a bear trap. Trying to trap more bears, because you got to remember, we are in a demand zone right now. So your supply zone is all the way back up here towards the 561s to 564s, where we got rejected at. So right here, guys, we are entering into a demand zone. So just be very careful on this level to make sure that, again, you don't get caught in bear traps as, buyers try to move their way back in and push bears out of their territory. So just keep that on watch. Shout out to Act. Shout out to you, boss. Shout out. So keep this on watch, guys, because you got to remember, demand zone still right here. Until we crack underneath that 552. Those buyers will be sitting around 552, 554. So right now, so far, we are underneath 554.50 at this moment. We got to stay underneath it. I have recently been using a liquidity indicator and listening to you. Just had a bag. Man, no problem, man. That's on you, boss. Shout out to you. CB Goods, man, you killed it. But like I said, the reason why I was leaning more towards the short side is because the market is still bearish. Because again, CPI didn't help at all, PPI didn't help at all, jobless claims didn't help at all, and we still haven't even gotten back into the 560s. So, I mean, that's leading to possible more downside. I still think, and again, it's just me. I still think we may see 540. I'm just being honest, boss. I still think we may see 540. So I'm gonna keep it on watch to see. In order for those, for the market to change my mind, buyers gotta reclaim, get back above 560. Other than that, I still think we may see 540. Cause right now, if we start the countdown, well, not the countdown, but the calculations. We already got kicked out of 560s. If we drop all the way to 550, that's a $10 pullback. If we crack 550, go down to 540, that's that $20 pullback we talked about. From 560 to 540. So, definitely keep it on watch, because another reason that can add to that is because you got to think about it. 550 is your half dollar mark. Because if you think about it from a $100 standpoint, you got 500, 550, 600. What's in the middle of that? 550. So if you crack 550, then you got to focus on the lower price points. 540s, 530s, 520s, and so forth, till you get back above that half dollar mark, back up towards the upside. But let's keep it on watch to see what these buyers are going to do. Let's see if these buyers are going to try to reclaim these levels. Let's see, can they push those bears out of their territory back up towards the upside. So right now, buyers have to stay on top of 554.50. They'll have to stay on top of 554.50. They got to reclaim that level. Right now, we're at 554.30, 554.40. So they got to get back on top of this floor, because they got to reclaim it. So far, we got selling pressure, lower shadows at these bottoms around 554, 552. So if those buyers can get back on top of 554.50, that means that floor is still going to be in play, where buyers can step back in, push those bears out of their territory back towards the bearish territory. So keep that on watch. And the reason why I don't have it set in green, so we can see through it, so we can see the play. So right now, bears are still fighting. Bears are still trying to take. They still trying to take out this territory. They still trying to take this territory out. What time we got left? 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So let's see how we're gonna close this candle out. So like I said, for puts, if you are in puts, stay underneath 554.50, 555. Stay underneath those key levels. Stay underneath those key levels. Especially 555, because again, that's our half dollar mark. So if we stay underneath that, still possible more downside to come, where we can pull back down even further, back down to 552 level to retest once again. Because we are still in somewhat of a descending wedge still. We're still in a downtrend setup. So right now, to me, the market's still bearish. And think about it. Your ETFs didn't switch. Now your SQQQs is in the green, and your QQQs and TQQQs are in the red. So that means that switched over. So that means that your puts are winning. The only thing that's in the green is Nvidia. And if Nvidia cracks, what is that, 116? We could be pulling right back down into the 114s, or even back down to the 112s. So if that bad boy cracks, you got 114 to go, down to 112 to go. Where you will crack that trend line, going from the bullish side of things to the bearish. And look at them. God dang, look at them bears. Woo! Woo! Boy, them bears ain't playing. God, them boys is hungry today. God, they not playing. Boy, them bears is not playing. I told y'all what they aiming for. I'm telling you, man, them bears are literally aiming for 550 down to 540. I'm telling you. Mark my words that that's what they doing. They trying to go to 540. Because what we got tomorrow? What's tomorrow? We got consumer sentiments tomorrow, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Let me double check that. Excuse me. I think we got consumer sentiments tomorrow. If I'm not, where's my, Yep, consumer sentiments. So yeah, we got tomorrow, guys. We got consumer sentiments tomorrow at 10. As far as today, what was the other thing we had coming out? That was we got that 30-year bond auction at 1. I think that should be it from this point after that 30-year bond auction at 1 o'clock. Other than that, that's it. Matter of fact, what's next week? What we got set up for next week's economic data? Retail sales, business inventories. Oh, FOMC meeting. Uh-oh, that's next week. That may give us a boost. I'm just saying, they may boost. That may help next week. So we may pull down low this week and get ready for that bounce next week. Maybe a possibility. Yep, March 19th. Yep. That's going to be the next one. That'll be the next one, guys. Yep, March 19th, right across the board. Right here, guys. Right across the board. So next week, guys, FOMC meeting. So this week may be the last pullback session. Maybe the last pullback session. That's what I'm saying. We may pull as low as we can, which would be a good possible buying opportunity. So my thing is, if anything, I would say ride it out. I would say ride out the rest of this week because we may pull back all the way till tomorrow. We may keep pulling back down. Because, I forgot to continue to go to the, whatchamacallit, my bad. I forgot to go finish off the economic data. I'm sorry. My bad. My fault. Next week. All right, so Monday. Retail sales, state and power, manufacturing survey, business inventories, home builder confidence index there. We got that. And then Tuesday, building permits, yada, 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 housing starts. Wednesday, FOMC meeting. That's going to be the big daddy of all right here. After that, we're going to have Thursday, we're going to have initial jobless claims, Philadelphia Fed manufacturing survey, existing home sales, and U.S. leading indicators. So the big one of all, it's going to be Wednesday, March 19th, guys. FOMC meeting, Jerome Powell speaking. So Wednesday next week, mark that down on your calendars, guys, March 19th. So, what I think may happen for the rest of this week, I mean, even probably the beginning of next week, we may keep pulling down to some low key areas, to some actual buying opportunities where, we could start the transition. Because I still think around that 540 level is going to be, to me, it's going to be it. So right now we're trying to work those bears trying to work out of the 550 range, trying to get you to the 540 range. So right now it's still bearish because you got about 5 minutes to this candle close and you still pulling back, and buyers still have yet to get a rebound. I mean, look at that candle. Look at that engulfing red candle. It's still no lower shadows yet. It's just a solid red candle still yanking. So we'll keep on watch because you still got about 5 minutes. Still 5 minutes, but you still underneath 540. You still underneath 555. You still underneath 545.50. The main floor area is right here. You still underneath that level. You didn't crack that. So the next key level is going to be 552. That's going to be the next low areas, 552. That was Tuesday's lows. So that'll be your next area right here, guys, 552. So here we go. And look where we at. Man, you can't make this up. Man, I told y'all, my prediction may come true. I mean, it may. We may pull our way down to the 540s. Y'all thought I was lying. I told y'all. Who called me a liar? Calling me a liar. I told you. Shoot. I told you. You damn doubters. Y'all thought I was crazy. Y'all thought I was blowing smoke up y'all. I told you. And that bad boy still just, jeez Louise. Wait, where's my Here we go, guys. Still pulling back. Close to that 552 level. Let's see. 552. If they put it like this, if bears crack 552, close underneath 552, guys, I'm telling you, we aiming for 550. We aiming for 550. I'm telling you, they're trying to get it down to those 540s. Y'all thought I was lying. Why? I'm going to see what's going to happen. Because right now, I mean, we still are tanking back down, still down. We're still tanking. We crack underneath that, we still got room to possibly fall into the 540s. We still got room to still crack into that bad boy. What is that? 45-ish? Wait, is this my right? Wait, I think I had the wrong contract the whole damn time. Wait, something off. All right, here we go, guys. We got about 3 minutes left. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Let's see how we go. How this candle's gonna close out on the 15. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. I mean, look. And was I lying about that ace pattern? Look. Was I lying, guys? Look right here. Look right here. Y'all thought I was lying to y'all about that? That two-legged pullback setup? Boom. What I told y'all. Told y'all, look. Bam. H pattern. Told you. I told you. That H pattern was setting up. When I seen those long up, when I seen those upper shadows, I had a feeling what was coming. So right here. H pattern. Bam. 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 You crack those levels. Down to 550. And look. Look what my possible target at. 540. Possible target. Matter of fact, let's try a measured move to see if it's going. I think I did a measured move last time. And I think it added to 540 last time I did that. I did that. What did I do last time? How did I take my measured move? I'm trying to remember how I did it. Cause I calculated it and it came out to 540. It came out to 540. I'm trying to remember what I did. On what price point I used. I forgot what it was. And again, when I did the measure move, it came out to that price of 540. Ooh, everything in the red. Now look, Nvidia in the red. Good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. We almost at 552. My alert about to hit. My alert, let me set up my other alert. I'm still predicting 540. I'm still predicting that. Let me put my 540 just in case. I'm gonna still put 540 alert. Just in case, guys. I'm gonna still put that bad boy. 540 alert. Bam. Still got that one. So that means we're gonna have to crack, of course, you already know we're gonna have to crack 545. You have dollar more, of course. So we got room to pull back the width. 545. Set an alert right there too. 545. It's gonna be around that little level. Okay, that's half dollar mark. Set an alert right there too. On the low. Bam. 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 Alright. So let's see. We cracked that. Like I said, you'll fall at the bottom portion of this channel. You crack that 552 level. You got room to fall back down to the bottom portion of this level. So you may get a little bounce around 552. But that's the midpoint area. So let's see. So from my channel setup, I got a whole entire channel right here where I did have 564 down to this 552. If you crack 552 with room to fall all the way down to 545 to possible 540. So I do have those setups. But like I said, right now, puts, don't jump right in at 552 until you close underneath it. Do not go in for a put until you close underneath it. Wait for a bounce back up until resistance for a possible move back down for retest. So right now, as far as puts, do not get in it right at 552 until you close underneath that price point to give you that confirmation that that level is no longer holding. Because you got to remember, if we go back by Tuesdays, where do you get that bounce at? 552. So psychologically, buyers can be moving in right there. Buyers can be stepping in right at these lows for a possible push on up. So keep that on watch. Keep it on watch. So let's see what's going to happen at 552. You know, will we get that crack or will we get a bounce? Let's see. So that's what I'm telling you. Be very careful right here at this level. Especially on the put side right now. Wait until you get that confirmation crack underneath that bad boy. Because I don't want y'all getting caught in a bad trap or anything of that nature. So let's see. Right now we're at what? 552.39. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we're going to get a little bounce back on up. Now, as we get a bounce back on up, you're going to run back into this old possible area here. This old support line. This old area. It could possibly bounce. If we do bounce, it could push back up towards this old, let me see. What was this? That was, open was 54.91. Let me see. So in case we get a bounce back on up, let me see. 54.91, 54.91. So right in this little area, you could possibly bounce back up towards that level. If we get a little 52 bounce. So let's see. Get a little 52 bounce, you could move up towards that that 9 EMA, which is right around that area. Oh shit, I ain't mean to take that off. Don't show no name. Don't show. There we go. So yeah, that's why I say puts. Just be careful until we close underneath that 552 level. I mean, I know we got a long way to go before 40, but I mean, if we would have cracked, I mean, look at that space and opportunity. I'm just saying, cause I still just think we're gonna hit the 540. somewhere in that bracket. Cause I mean, it's aiming for it. It's aiming for that 540 bracket. So I mean, we'll see. We'll see. Like I said, I don't want to jump the gun just yet. Cause you might get a little bounce at 552. Keep that on watch. Like I said, be careful on puts right there. Maybe a buying opportunity for buyers to try to push it back up towards the upside. So be careful on that. So let's see if we're gonna get a bounce. Back into some resistance. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. All right, you are bouncing back up slightly. Back up, back up. I mean, them bad boys. I mean, they went all into that Bears territory. I mean, Bulls territory with no issue. I mean, them bad boys went in just, God. Right now it's 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock right now. What's today? 5:45. Let me see. All right. Let's see. Keep it on watch, guys. Keep it on watch. So there go to your 52 bounce, 552 bounce. So we could push back up to these ranges right here around that 554.50 up to the 555 level. So let's see. Let's see if those buyers gonna try to push back up towards the upside, towards that 90 MA. Yeah, so that's why I was telling them push just to be careful until we crack underneath that 552 level to confirm it, that we're gonna crack it. So just be careful. Possible little bounce back up, because it is 12 o'clock. You got that 12 o'clock volume coming in, so just be careful. We got left on this candle 10 minutes. So let's see where we go on this candle. Let's see if they try to build back up or try to push back up. Let's see. I'm gonna see how we're gonna close out. Now for puts, you want to close underneath it. I mean, we already know the routine of that. We want to close underneath that bad boy. But like I said, right now this may be your, this first little bounce back up right at 552. Let's see. Right now, boy, buyers are scared. I mean, the market is in red. Your ETFs are switched from TQQQs now to SQQQs. I mean, that bad boy flipped. So it definitely bullish. I mean, bearish. Definitely bearish. Because the area we need to crack is 552. That's gonna be an area down to 550. If we can crack 552, down to 550 we go. So all right, let me ask you guys this. How many didn't kill the puts already? How many of my guys and gals killed the puts already so far? How many got it? From the areas we called out all the way down to 552. How many of my puts then killed it? Give me a hell yeah in the chat. Give me some love in the chat. How many got it? How many nailed the put all the way down to 52? We done called it all the way down. Right where the base of my line, where my midpoint area is, 552. Woo, shout out to Hustle.
Yes, sir.
Shout out to you, boss. So, yep, down to 552 till we crack that bad boy. Because like I said, tomorrow we have consumer sentiments. And then next week we're going to have the FOMC meeting. So, what I'm thinking is, they're going to try to pull down as low as possible before that meeting. Which is why I wouldn't mind a nice pullback all the way down. Because there's going to be some good low possible buyable areas. Because, I mean, for 440 psychologically, that's what buyers came in at anyway when we was in that channel 560, 540. So could we go down? Could we crack that 550? Possibility. I mean, look where we at now. I mean, down we already fell what? Damn near almost $10 already. Especially once we hit that 550 level from 560 to 550, that's $10 drop already. So let's see. Cause man, Because right now with that market looking bearish right now, that's what, the third red day in a row? Because the open is all the way back up towards the open is all the way up here. That's way back, what price point is that? That's 558.50. You might as well round that off. 558.50. So we $5 away from that price point, from that open. So let's see. 552. Like I said, do expect to bounce back up. Possible bounce back on up, because like I said, we got that Tuesday right here. 552, buyer stepped in, pushed that bad boy right back on up, and then you got that nice move right back on down. So let's see, guys. Let's see on how far these bad boys gonna push. Let's see. How far can these bad boys push up? You got that 554.50 at the 555 level. So keep that on watch as we try to go back towards these possible key levels here as we push up. Because right now, I mean, the market is just, I mean, that might be that little small window of opportunity for, you know, a little scalp maybe on the call side. But I mean, right now, let's see. Yeah, I told y'all, it's starting to get a little aggressive right around 52. See how they started to push up a little high? You seen that? Started getting a little push. Let me see how low. Let me see how low is this contract. Oh shit, let me see. I ain't pushed, God dog it. I mean, I'll test it just to see. I mean, I want to see if we can push back up towards those highs so I can get some lows. I just want to see if we can get a push. I'll see. I was trying to catch those bottoms. I don't think we pull back to the area I wanted. I want to see some more green so my puts can pull back. Because I had, let me see, I had a strike for possible 545. Let me see. What's 550 at? 550 would be what? 550 is at 69 cents. How much have you grown your account? Well, I took a little break from it, boss, because I had some, man. Like I had to deal with some personal stuff, man. So I took a little break from it. But like I said, I got back focused this week. So I had got it up as high as $400. I mean, that was the furthest I went, but then I had to take a break from it. So I got to continue now. So, you know, just had to deal with some family issues, but we good to go. So I'm now back focused, boss. Now I'm back focused, man. Yeah, what helped it was God, I'm trying to remember when it was. That's when I caught a gap down. I had got in on a Friday. I remember when it was. I got in. I'm trying to remember. Like I think it was around the tariff talk. I think I got in on a Friday. And we gapped down, so I made like an additional $200, which added to my account. Yeah, they added to my start off with 100. Yeah, boss. So that's what helped. Was that swing trade, that gap down. That's what helped. That's what shot it up. So that's what I'm trying to. That's why I've been sitting here patiently, just trying to, you know, figure out these plays from this point. Because if we get around that 540, boss, I'm telling you, we get around 540, I'm going in. I'm telling you. That's why I want to see can we pull down around those areas towards those low key areas to see can we soon get that, you know, that downtrend breakout. So that's what I'm setting on, because right now we're underneath this downtrend setup. We've been on a 2-week downtrend. 2-week downtrend, Dan. Right here. We have not broken this downtrend yet. So what I'm anticipating is, because I want to go for the long haul. I want to ride that bad boy. So right now we've been on a 2-week downtrend since last Monday, and we just been downtrending. So we haven't crossed over to this side yet. So that's what I'm thinking, that if we can pull back to some more lows like this way, around that 540, I mean, we could see a possible, you know, transition. So that's what I want to see. If we could crack this key area, fall back down this way, you know, whether it's 545 down to 540, I mean, I definitely want to see that downtrend, you know, crossover. We can break towards the upside. Look at all this space and opportunity. Look at all of this. But we just haven't got there because we just haven't crossed over that downtrend setup yet. So that's why I'm thinking more pullback can come when we can pull back towards some more lows. You know, going into tomorrow, you know, possible little pullback still, you know, Monday, you know, damn near Tuesday, hold these Tuesday floors for that FOMC meeting, for that nice bounce back this way, you know, because like I said, the reason why I'm calling these numbers out, Dan, is because it's based off of this. Let me see what it's doing real quick. Where we at right now? Before I go to the chart, I want to make sure y'all see everything. Sorry about that. Where we at? So still holding 5. Let me see. So I'm still watching my because I know lunch hours. I mean, I know I gotta wait on lunch hours. Oh damn, they give me the push I was anticipating. What got left on this candle? 2 minutes. I wonder if they're gonna try to bounce. You know, that second candle's gonna try to bounce up towards this resistance. So that's what I'm waiting on. But yeah, guys, if we go back, like I said, to those who didn't see that chart, so I'm trying to hurry me do this before, because I want to watch this setup to see if we're gonna set up for another possible two-legged pullback setup. So we go back. Go back a little bit. Go back a little bit. Look back at this chart, guys. Look back at this chart. We back in this old channel. For those who didn't see it. Around 560, 540, right? Go back. Look at the past. What we got rejected at? Same price point. Around 563.50, 564. Where we got that nice rejection. The first time we got that strong rejection was all the way down to 520. Then we wound up rebounding at 540. Then getting that move back up. You see a nice red to green right here. Let me move this over some more. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, right here. So right here, you went from 560 down to 540. Boom. Then you got a red to green. You caught a nice $20 drop and a $20 push. That's where we started to continue on up. Now, like I said, the reason why I'm thinking we could pull back down even lower is because this way we still have no setup. It's just down, 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 down. See, this way we got a setup. Ethan and Dan. Looks like the bottom. Yeah, see right here, we got more of a setup this way. See that? We have a higher low. Higher low. But you see how it wasn't just straight up. We had to have pullbacks, bounces, pullbacks, bounces. You see the setup right here? But this way, we're just going straight down. We're just going down, 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 down. So, Ethan, you wasn't here to see my drawing. Dan, you seen it already. So, we said, how far have you grown? Oh, you already asked me that already. Let's see. So this, for those who didn't see my drawing, this is what I had. Oh, candle about to close, ain't it? Oops, let's see. This is what I had. This was my setup. That was, again, case scenario number 1. We get that pullback all the way down to 540. Right here to these old support lines. Get it pushed back up to 560. Get that move back down where we can build somewhat of an inverted head and shoulders pattern where we can make our way back up towards those highs. That's case scenario number 1. Because that'll form a pattern. Because you'll have 1 point here and 1 point here, which will give you a downtrend setup for a downtrend breakout. Because here, I mean, it's just straight down. It's no pattern right here. It's no pattern. It's just a straight down pattern until we hit a certain area where buyers can step in and actually push back up towards the upside. So that's case scenario number 1. That'll give us an inverted head and shoulders. Now, case scenario number 2 is, okay, we do pull back down to 540 and hold. Now we'll be in a channel between 540 560 until we get that necessary breakout, still breaking out of a downtrend setup. Because you got point number 1 and you got point number 2. That'll give us a downtrend setup. So right there, look where your buyers came in at. Your buyers came in where? 540. And not just that, to add more to the confirmation. If I take the same chart and flip it towards a put standpoint, Ethan and Dan, right here, this is calls, right? You're falling. Now, if I look at it upside down from a put standpoint, you can see exactly, where that strong resistance is on your puts. Where that strong bounce is going to be, which is going to, let me change this out real quick. My bad. Put 180, right? Nope, wrong one. Where's my 180 chart? Where you at? There you go. So yeah, so if we go back on the puts, the last time the puts hit a strong resistance, what was the price? 540. See that? And what is the puts doing right now? U-shaping its way back on up, right? So that means the market is falling. So the strongest key area that it looked like, well, again, when you caught a strong bounce, when you caught a strong rejection on your puts, was around 540. And look at the range that we in. We're damn near close to that price point. So I say between 45 to 40, we hit that strong resistance, then you'll catch that strong bounce. Where you'll get that bounce back on up, and that means your puts will pull right back on down. So, I mean, look at your puts. The puts been going up. The puts been on a bullish rally. You know, ever since the market been falling, your puts been going up. The puts been on a bullish rally while the market's been on a bearish rally. It's been doing the total opposite. So look what we're doing. We still rallying up. Indicators still holding up right. Still room to still possibly push on up to what? 540 toward this strong resistance line where that bounce happened and you got that rejection on your puts back on down. So see what I mean? And if we do get a bounce, where's those bottoms on your puts? 560. So if you see that, if you go back, look at this. If you go back a little bit, 540, right? Because that's where you got the bounce, right here. And then when we pull back, where did we get rejected at off after the bounce? 560. How high did we go? 540. Right in that same exact range. So you can clearly see the puts still pushing up. The puts are still pushing up toward that 540 range. So that's why I'm thinking that we could possibly see 540. So we'll see though. But like I said, I'm not going to jump the gun too soon. But that's just a little prediction because right now, I mean, puts are still running on up at this moment. So puts are still running on up. That means that you're still pulling back. So And as you can see, you got an H pattern. Nope. I mean, you got no pattern set up here. It's just a straight shot down. What pattern? I mean, we see no patterns right now. We don't see no higher lows. We don't see anything yet. We don't even see a floor yet. We still getting these, because like every time, it's like a rinse and repeat. Even on this side. You bounce, get rejected. Bounce, get rejected. Bounce, get rejected. Bounce, get rejected. And all you're doing is going lower and lower and lower and lower towards some key areas that may start to actually form a bottom for once, which I think will possibly be around 545. 545 to 540 level. Because again, psychologically, that's where your bias came in at on your old chart, right here, from 560, 540. Same. Look, we back in that same exact channel from August of last year. Where's your strongest resistance? Right at those tops. Your bias all the way where? 540. Sellers are where? 560. So right here, exact. It's no pattern. It's no higher low build and lower highs. No nothing. It's just straight down. Down, 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 down. No floors. It's like trying to catch a falling knife. Falling knife. Everybody thinking they're going to find a bottom. Nope. Drops. So what can add on to this? I'm going to tell you another area that can add on to this. That can lead to a further drop. Okay. See this this area here, which is around 553.91. That's this old resistance area here. And we fall back underneath that 553.91 level. That's going to go back to resistance. You can see right here. We pushed on up. Where did we get rejected at? Right here. 553.91. Pulled all the way back down to 520. So if we can't hold on top of that area where we can turn resistance into support, then we're going to fall right back. That means that's going to turn right back into resistance. We'll room to possibly fall back this way. So at this point, it's up to the buyers to stay on top of this old resistance, which is around 553.91 for the possible bounce back on up. That could occur, if they can hold that key level. However, if we fall back underneath that old level here, turn that back into resistance, then what other floor do you have besides that? After 553, this level here, I mean, you just got a straight dump on off. You have no other floors. This is the only main strong area. Other than that, 540 possibly be next. So, I mean, 545 to 540. So, that's the only thing I'm saying, guys. So, I mean, that's just all I'm saying right now. Because, I mean, right now, the market is in the red. Everything is red. Like I said, your ETFs then switched over. I mean, the only thing that's green is NVIDIA, and that's barely holding on for dear life. Because we still haven't even, we ran up towards the 118, but we haven't got that 118 break. So, if we crack 116, you got room to fall down to 114, to possibly back down to that 112 level, because you'll be cracking that trend line going from the bullish side of things to now the bearish side. So I think that we may see more possible pullback, because I think it's gonna pull back as low as it can before the FOMC meeting comes out. I honestly think so. Now I'm not saying we're gonna pull all the way back down to 540, but somewhere in that range. I think we're gonna see 540s in some type of way. So the main area, whatever we do, okay, we underneath that 553.91. We underneath that. I think if FOMC meeting could, well, I think they could, because I think it's gonna be the talk of the what was they gonna be talking about? God dang, why my mind is slipping right now? Was it the interest rates? If I'm mistaken, they're talking about putting a pause. It depends on what he says about the pause. As far as, inflation, the inflation data. But that's what I'm thinking that, because I'm thinking that they're going to get as low as they can to reduce risk. Especially for buyers who want to buy low. And again, I want to buy low. I want to buy too. But I want to get in some areas that make sense. And the area that makes sense is around 540. I mean, that'll be, psychologically would be a good bouncing area where buyers can step in. Because right now, we're still in this downtrend setup. We haven't broken above this downtrend yet. We've been in this downtrend, for 2 weeks? 2 weeks since last Monday. We still haven't broken out. We still haven't gotten back above 560. We're getting into now the lower 550s. We're not in the higher range of it. We're not back above 555. We're in the low areas of 550 where we could crack 550 and go into the 540s. Because this damn thing is still dumping on off. It's still getting weak. I mean, look at this. Buyers are not stepping in right now. I mean, I'm not seeing no aggressive, bouncing like we got Tuesday last time, where we got a nice 52 bounce and buyers came in aggressive. You see this. Look at this. Red to green. I mean, green candle after green candle after green candle. I mean, ran it all the way back into the bears territory, all the way up to 564. Here, it's not doing the same exact thing. It's like it's weak. It's like that bounce is way weaker than this one was stronger. This one just looks like it's just tired. It looks more downtrendish. It just looks weak. It looks tired. It don't look like it wanna. It's just look like that bad boy wanna just give up. But we're gonna see. Cause like I said, the main thing we want to crack is 552 because we want to take Tuesday's floor away from those buyers. We want to pull the rug right underneath their feet. We want to take that floor, go from support to resistance, where we'll start to see now even lower prices. Because once those bulls lose 552, what else are they gonna have? Just natural numbers. 550, 548, 546, 544, and so forth. Because again, once this floor is gone, your bulls have nothing. So watch that key area today. Will we stay above that price point, or will we crack it? If we crack 552, I'm telling you guys, we going down to 550. I'm telling you, mark my words, that downtrend is going to continue toward the downside, towards into the 540s. Mark my words, because buyers have not stepped in yet. It's still fear in the market. I mean, the market itself is in red. This will be a what? Like I said, no, not a third. That'd be your fourth red day. Let me go back a little bit on my old calendar. No, that'll be the fourth red day. Yeah, because we already closed in the red. Yep. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yep. That'll be damn. So that'll be a whole week. This will be a whole week of red. If Thursday closes out in the red, that's gonna be 4 days in a row. It's just been red, red, red. You've been closing out like you closed out at 458 yesterday, but you're underneath that price point. Because right now you're in the 52s. So you underneath that close. What about yesterday's lows? You underneath that low. 553.69, you need that price point. Other than that, I mean, we bypassed all these areas. We bypassed all these areas. What was the low? Oh yeah, that 552. Yeah. So especially if we lose that low, I mean, we definitely gonna create some new lower areas. Cause the low for this week was 552.02 itself. 552.02. So you lose that low right here, you're gonna be creating some newer lows. You'll be creating some new ones. Even newer lows. So keep it on watch, guys. I mean, I'm just watching this 552 level. I mean, I'm anticipating for the crack. Cause I still think we're gonna see 540. I'm just gonna be honest. I still think we'll see 540. I think so. Look, Nvidia, cracking 516. Where we at right now? What we got left on that candle? 4 minutes, and you underneath 516. That ain't good. That's gonna contribute to even worse on SPY if it don't get back above 516. That's gonna make SPY pull back even harder. That's gonna make it pull back, especially if you fall down to 115. That bad boy gonna pull back. Because that's the only last line of defense. Because everything else falling. Tesla fell. I think Google, Apple, everything else is falling. And Nvidia is the last line of defense. That bad boy starts to crack all the way back down towards 115. This is gonna cause this one to yank back down towards that 552. So right, just watch. So as that bad boy try to get on top of 116, it's gonna try to create some type of little, you see, some of the stopping point right now. But that bad boy cracks, SPY's going below 52. I promise you. That bad boy cracks, it's going below 52. It slips. Because right now it's trying to hold on for dear life. That's why SPY's trying to hold on for dear life above 552. So right now you got Nvidia trying to hold on as hard as it can. But if that bad boy slips, so will SPY. So what time it is right now? 3 minutes. Right now we're at what, 115.90 on Nvidia. Because they got to get back above 116. They got to get back above 116 because that 116 gonna turn back into resistance. It's gonna have to get back on top of it. Like I said, if those bears come in on Nvidia and yank them, I'm telling you, SPY gonna crack that 552 level. So just keep it on watch, guys. Keep it on watch. I mean, still looks bearish. just trying to see if we're gonna hit that 540 level. I mean, I want to see can we get it today. To be honest, I want to see can we get it today. Like at least crack underneath the 550s today, and Friday try to get more of a little further pullback down. So I want to see. So let's see. Let me see how we looking. Give me this on watch. We got left 2 minutes. So I'm watching this little setup. FOMC meeting. 19, boss. 19. That's gonna be Wednesday. No. Well, I mean, we can possibly put a put down to it, but as far as at that level, I'll be trying to go for a possible call opportunity to see can we get that reversal. So I mean, we getting these low. Cause what is the RSI right now? Cause I think we way oversold on as far as SPY. Let me see. Let's see. Come on, hurry up. SPY. There you go. Yeah, we had a 28 on the daily, and we are 39 on the weekly. I mean, you done lost a 50 SMA even on the weekly time frame. Let me see something. Yep, you underneath the 13, underneath the 50. I mean, daily, you definitely lost the 200-day moving average. You done dumped off the face of the earth on that bad boy. So, matter of fact, let's do this. Ooh, setting up another H pattern. Setting up another one. Let's see. Because I'm telling you, that bad boy, that NVIDIA slips at that 515.50. Down to 515, so will SPY slip. I mean, it's getting a little loose. Still trying to hold. It's trying to hold for dear life. Let me see him look at it from a 5-year standpoint. Let me see. Let's see if that's accurate around that 540 level. Let's see how accurate is that on a 5-year standpoint. Let's see. 540, because you got a trend line. What is this? Is that 530? That's 550. Trying to see what these old areas is at. Because you didn't crack, you done lost the 50 SMA, you done lost the 13 EMA. Still yanking on down. I mean, this bad boy is, jeez Louise. Because you done lost this area here, so you can't utilize that one. So what is that the 540 level? And look where that trend line is at, 540. Oh, let me see. So if we go down, look where my alert is at, 540, and that'll be that possible trend line bounce. Because you got a trend line bounce here, and if we fall back to this trend line again, that's gonna put us around close to that 540 level. That's gonna put us around 540. If this thing keeps tanking, that'll put us around right at this trend line and right at my 540 alert. If we get that, we can continue to get that sell off. Yeah, that'd be about right. Almost around 540. Yep, because that's where your bounce happened at. You had a little bounce here, 540, then you ran back on up. So that would be about right. I mean, it's probably bouncing perfectly off of my alert, 540. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled around 545, 540, somewhere in that bracket. I mean, I'm gonna keep it on watch. We'll see. So right now, 552 is still holding because NVIDIA is still holding right now on that 116 level. But it's barely holding. That bad boy barely holding. I mean, you underneath that trend line. I mean, it's barely holding on. So let's see. SPY, what's up, SPY? What's up, Deck? So still keeping this on watch, guys. So right now, at the moment, 552 is still holding up as support. At the moment, we're still holding up as support, as we possibly intended. We said that buyers could be sitting here. So right now, it's still holding. We're going to push up back up towards that 554 level. So the goal is to see, okay, what's next for us? Especially for those who may have missed the dump on off. Could it be another possible opportunity? So let's just see. Can we run back into some resistance? Get some let me see. Because all the strong areas is way up here. That's why your real strong areas is at. There go the bounce. There go the 52 bounce. All right, here we go. 52 bounce, 52 bounce. All right, so let's see as we push back up towards that 5, because it's gonna try to push back up towards that 554 level. We already know where it's trying to go. 554 level. So as we pull back, what's some lows? What's some lows? I mean, I can try to give it a little go. I mean, try to just chance it. That's why I want to wait for it to push back up. I want to see how high we're going to push. I want to see how high we're going to push. Because, I mean, I'll give it a little chance. I'll try to give it a go after we get back up towards some highs. Because what time it is right now? 12 o'clock. And where we at as far as on the 180 chart? Because you're going to have a lot of ground to cover. You're going to have to cover a lot of ground if they want to get back up. What time? Oh, yeah. Oh, I see what they're trying to do. I see what they're trying to do. I see exactly what they're trying to do. I see what they're trying to do. They're trying to get back on top of that. They're trying to get back on top of that 554 level, and I know why they're doing it. I know why they're doing it. I see exactly why they're doing it. I see what they're doing. Look, let me go back. Look, boss. Look, remember that area we talked about? Look, let me go back a little bit. Watch this, boss. Watch this. Watch this. If we go back a little bit, let me span it out a little bit. If we go back on my chart, let me shrink it out. Remember that old top right here? That level we talked about, the resistance? You see what they're trying to stay on top of? See that? They're trying to stay on top of it. Let me take this out. Let me take this off real quick. So that let me screenshot this real quick. So yeah, this little key level here, they trying to stay on top of it because they trying to hold that floor. See that? They trying to utilize that old resistance for support. They trying to stay on top of it. They trying to stay on top of it. So that's gonna be around that 553.91 if you want to round it off, 554 level. So that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to close by 1 o'clock. They're trying to stay on top of it. So if that new candle comes in at 1, it'll have support right at 554. Because they're gonna try to get that candle that we're in now, because that candle closed out at 1 o'clock. They're gonna try to get that candle to close on top, because they're trying to keep the bodies of the candles right on top of that line, so they'll hold some type of floor. Watch. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me go to it real quick. See right here, they're gonna try to close on top. So let's see. That's why I said that I had a feeling what they're trying to do. So they're gonna try to close right here. They're going to try to close right on top of this because none of the bodies of the candles are closing below that price point. So,
D Nice Champion says,
what's up, D? Yo. What's up, boss? But yeah, so what the bulls are trying to do, Dan, they're trying to get the body, not the wick. They're trying to get the body of that candle to match this one. They're trying to get on top of this level so it can hold a floor. Yeah, I had to reset everything, boss, and I do apologize, man. The OBS, started crashing and just started being idiotic on me. So, yeah, Dan, they're trying to get the body of that candle to close on top of this. They're trying to get it closed because that's going to create a pullback failure. Because if they can get that candle, they can get the body of that candle to close on top of that price point. Once that new candle comes in at 1 o'clock, that's gonna hold. They're gonna try to utilize that particular price point to try to bounce their way back up. So that's why they're trying to purposely close on top of it. And why is that price point so important? If we go back this way,
D Nice Champion says, "Nah, you good, bro."
Man, appreciate you, boss. But yeah, see, that's that old support line. That's that old resistance. So they're trying to utilize that for support. They're trying to stay on top of it because they know if they stay underneath it, it's gonna go back into resistance. So okay, if that candle, the candle that we're in right now, Dan, was to close back underneath the 553. If you want to round it up, 54. If it close back underneath that price point, that's gonna go back into resistance, and you can see the result of that. You're gonna pull right back down because that's gonna encourage and entice those bears to yank you back down even lower. Because you can see what happened at that price point. You can see what happened when you got it stuck underneath it. Look where those bears yanked you all the way down to. Around the 518, 520 levels. Then you find your way back up to it. So what they're trying to do is they're trying to take that old resistance and they're trying to find a support. They're trying to find a floor right there. So if we go back that way, go back. Same price point. See how they're trying to match that candle with these? Because they're trying to create a pullback failure because none of the bodies of the candles are able to close underneath that price point. Because all you do is have lower shadow, lower shadow, lower shadows, but none of the bodies are closing underneath that, which is, again, making it hard for bears to stay underneath that price point. You know, 554 if you want to round it off. So, right now it's 12 o'clock. We have about almost 20 minutes. So, let's see what's going to happen. So, if we want to see more downside, we want to see the body of that candle close back underneath that price point. But if they hold it, that's going to hold up as a floor. Because you can see right here. If they're trying to bottom out right here at this level. Right at 554. They're trying to bottom in my. That's what they're trying to do.
Yeah, they trying to make it bounce.
Yeah. So they're trying to close that candle right on top of this. They're trying to, so they can utilize the next candle that comes in to possibly bounce. That's what they're going to try to do. They're going to try to utilize this as a floor. So that's going to be around 553.91. So we'll put a price point around there. So right now, see what I mean? They're going to try to push. They're going to try to get above that price point. So I got 554.91. Let me utilize this one real quick and put 593. Oops.
You could check out BTC for me.
Yeah, I got you, boss. Got you. That's the Bitcoin, correct? Yep. So right now you're above that area we just talked about, Dan. See how we holding above it?
D Nice Champion says.
Okay. Because I don't think I can check it on the because I gotta go all the way to whatchamacallit to do that like I did last time. I had to go all the way back to I think what chart I had to use, Coinbase or something I had to use for that. Let me see. Chart. Here we go. I think it was Coinbase I had to use. It was one of them I went to. CoinDesk maybe. Let me see. So look like around. Oh, where's my candles? I need candles.
D Nice Champion says, I use Trading View for it.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you for that, for letting me know that I have to use it. I mean, this ain't bad. I mean, you got some little tools that look a little. I like that. So right now, it look like you're holding above that 81,000 mark. Can I move it over? Nope. What time frame is this? 24 hours, 1 minute, 1 hour. Can't move this damn thing over. I was trying to move it. Look like we right here. So okay. So what are you trying to go for, D Nice? What you trying to go for? You trying to go for a call opportunity or for a rejection, for a resistance? What you trying to do, boss? I don't know notification.
D Nice Champion says.
Shorts.
I'm in shorts.
So you want to see, because right now we bouncing off that 581. I'm sorry, 581. Jeez, I'm thinking about SPY. Off of 81,000 level. And look like we got room to push back up towards, which price point is this? 82? Almost 82? I'm trying to see it. Are the numbers change on this damn thing? Oh, I gotta move it this way, huh? Damn, boy. Man, if you would have caught these, boy, you'd have been nice. 84, 83.50. I mean, damn, you would have caught some nice ones. You definitely would have caught some nice ones. But look like you about to rebound right now. Like you're definitely about to rebound. So I'm trying to see. So it look like around 82.5. That's where your tops is at. 82.5. And you got this other area that's not too far from that. What is this?
D Nice Champion says, I'm in shorts from a little above today's open.
Okay. Look like it's trying to bounce right now, boss. Oh, it did? So right now we don't need that. Look, we don't need that price point. Look, Dan, what I told you. 553.91. Let's see. That's that price. That's that area we was just talking about on the 180 chart. Let's see if we stay underneath. What we got left? Oh, we still got about 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So let's see if let's see if the bears can stay underneath it. Let's see if the bears can stay underneath it, because that means that area is gonna go back to some resistance. Let's see how we're gonna close. But you see how they fighting around that particular price point, right? So let's see how we're gonna close out. Yeah, so right now, what was this? Yeah, D Nice. I'm sorry, D Nice. Look like it's trying to find.
Champion says 83,886 is my short entry.
Let me see.
I'm targeting yesterday's low.
Okay, let me go to Trader View. I think I just. Oh, here we go.
And don't hit.
Oh, here we go, Trader View. Okay, I got Trader View. Thank you for that too, boss. Let me try it out. Let me see how this one looks a little bit better. Cause right now, Dan, keep your eyes peeled, boss. Keep your eyes peeled. make sure, again, if we want to see more downside, we got to stay underneath that price point. We got about 2 minutes. And I mean, it's right underneath it, boss. Right underneath it. That could lead to more downside if it stands underneath it.
It's beautiful, haha, that's all I use for charting.
I mean, look right here. We right underneath it, boss. Right underneath that price point. Right underneath it. Right underneath it. I'm coming, D-Nice. I'm just trying to watch this level. What we got left? Because I think it's to remain resistance. I mean, let me see. Let me see. Could that be an opportunity where I can... Let me see. I want to see. Because I want to make sure we stay underneath it. I want to make sure we stay underneath that close. So 5.
D-Nice champion says. Add.
And I'm sorry, boss. I mean, once you become a part of the affiliate program, boss, you have no...
And you good, bro, no rush.
Yeah, once you become a part of the affiliate program, you get those ads. You get those ads here with your account now. The only thing we can control is the time, but we can't take it off. And look right now, Dan. Look, Dan. Bam! Underneath it, boss.
Nice champion says. Okay, back.
We underneath it right now, Dan. So far, so good. We hold it underneath it, boss. That means that area gonna go back to resistance. Possible resistance. I mean, I could take a little. I mean, let me see what we got left. Got 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left.
Champion says. Net the M15 on spot.
Yeah, so right. Oh, damn. It's starting to pull back already. God dang it, man. Ah! I was waiting for it to close out. God dog it. It started to close out. I mean, it started to drop immediately. Damn, I was trying to jump in. I was trying to get as low as I could. God dog. 15, then we underneath it.
Says, that looked like it's gonna drop.
Yep, because you fell underneath that price point. Let me see, can we get a little bounce back up so I can get those lows? I'm gonna give myself a little test. Let me see, gonna try to bounce back up to it. Let me see, can we pull back to these lows real quick? Because I'll give myself a little, I'm trying to see if it's gonna get it. Ah! I don't think it's gonna grab it. Ah! I mean, it started pulling back like, I was waiting to catch the next candle down, but it started pulling back right before the 15 minutes had closed. Cause I was trying to catch these tops as this candle was gonna go in. I was gonna do like a green or red, and that bad boy started dropping. I was like, damn it! Like, god dog. Yeah, I'm gonna give it time, boss. Cause I mean, right now we closed underneath it. What time is it? So we got 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes. As long as we stay underneath. Okay, that.
Champion says. You get it once the new M15 pushes up before it starts pushing down.
Well, what I was trying to do.
Champion says. I be doing that too.
No, but what I was trying to do, D-Nice, I thought it was gonna stay right here as that candle closed out, and then new one comes in. We would do a green or red, and I was gonna catch it right underneath it. But by the time I could get in, I was about to get in. It already started dropping even before the 15 minutes was up. It already just dropped. I'm like, damn. It started falling back immediately. I was trying to catch this one. It's like, god dog it.
D-Nice champion says.
Ah!
No, I was saying that's what you was trying to do.
Yeah. Cause we was up. That candle was pushed up right underneath that price point me and Dan talked about. And I was about to go in on this candle.
When that happens,
And I was about to go in on this candle up here. Right underneath it. Green and red. And then catch it down. Ah, you little dirty mother.
D-Nice champion. Would have been a great spot to enter short and haha.
Well, the drop. We know where the drop came from, Dan. That resistance on that on the Nvidia. You got rejected at that trend line, and you got that pullback. You ran up to the trend line, boom, pullback. That's where that pullback came from. See? Damn it! Damn it! Ah! Ah, you dirty MF. I was trying to catch it. Ah, I was trying to catch it. It started dropping like right when I was setting up for this candle to come in. It started dropping. Well, now we're underneath 552. But it's still time. It's still time. Because guys, as long as we stay underneath 552, now 552, because now you're creating new lows. 552 down to 550. Remember we talked about this. So now, if you miss that move, it's still another opportunity. Because guys, I told you we could possibly fall down into the 540s. So right now, everything is going according to plan. I was trying to catch it and started dropping. I was like, ugh. Son of a. Right when I was waiting to catch that candle, that bad boy started pulling, bro. That was cold-blooded. I was trying to catch it. I was waiting. That's why I was waiting. I was waiting for that candle to close out and for this one to go and for this one to open so I can catch it right underneath 553.90 and catch. Dan, let me know you got it. You got it? You jumped in? D-Nice, y'all jumped in? Man, I tried to catch it. I wouldn't expect it to drop that quick. Oh, man, it caught me. Right when I was setting up my entry, it blew past it. I was like, son of a bitch. But again, it's still an opportunity. So, okay. From this point, what we're going to watch, can we stay underneath the price point of 552? 552. It's still opportunity.
Nice champion says. Hate when that happens.
No, it's all good. I mean, if we missed that, Dan, if you missed that, it's still an opportunity because, again, I still think we're going to see somewhere around the 550, 540s. So, right now, what time it is? 11 minutes. Well, we got about... Yeah, 11 minutes. We got about 11 minutes to this candle close out. So, what we want to see on this candle, we want it, because you got to remember, this is going to be 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, you're already underneath 553.91, that area we talked about. So, you're already underneath that level. Even if I go to my my 180 chart, we underneath that area that we needed to hold. We underneath it. So, there's still more downside to come. So, let's go back a little bit. So, right here. So, right here, you're underneath that 553.91, good. So, if that candle can close out, that new 1 o'clock candle comes in, that means you're going to be welcome into what? 553.91, where you can get rejected once again and pull back down even further because you're still on this H pattern. So, if that candle right here closes out at 1 o'clock underneath that price point, that's still going to be resistance, Dan. It's still going to be underneath it. Still going to be underneath it. Because see, now we're back underneath this old area here. Engineer Dan and D-Nice. See this area here? We're back underneath it. 553.91. Yeah, so I mean, we're still back underneath this level. So there's still room to pull back down towards 540. Look. From that level, look where you can pull back down to. Look at that. You went from that price point, 553.91, all the way down to what? 540. Look at that. Still room. Man, Demento, man, what's up, boss?
$5. Thank you, bro. You can have some of my gains.
Ooh,
you have a lot of wisdom.
Man, shout out
right
to you,
now,
boss.
$27.
Demento, man, everybody coming in. Shout out to y'all, man. Thank you so much, Demento. Thank you so much, boss. Appreciate you. Oh, Dan, that's you? I'm sorry, boss. Dan, thank you so much, man. Sorry. I didn't know that was you. But yeah, so right now, Dan, we are underneath that level that we needed to hold. That's that 553.91. So, you got to remember, these are 1 o'clock candles, right? As long as that candle, we got about 9 minutes. As long as that candle can stay underneath that 553.91, that new candle that comes in at 1 o'clock is going to be welcome to resistance right at that price point around 553.91. So, let's go back. We know what the old resistance is that we're no longer on top of. Okay, so let's go back. 9 minutes before that candle closes. Let's go back. Look where we at, underneath that bad boy. So once that new candle comes in, boom, resistance will room to possibly fall back down to what? Woo, man. Let's see, boss. Because like I said, last time we got rejected at that price point, 553.91, look what we pulled back down to. What price point is that? 540. 540. So, possibility, boss, possibility. Y'all thought I was lying about that 540 level. Y'all thought I was lying. From that level, 540. They thought I was lying. They thought I was BSing them. And look at that, boy. We ain't too far. Because now, again, you got resistance underneath that price point all the way down to 550, 545 to possible 540. So, let's see how we're going to close out. We want to stay underneath there. We want to see more downside. So, right now, we got about 8 minutes. 8 minutes before this candle close out. 8 minutes. Right now, we're looking good. So, right now, we're not matching none of these candles that held right here on top of it. See, right here, you got the bounce. You got to pull back and a bounce. But right now, we're on top of that bad boy. Underneath it. So, you got your H pattern going on for a possible second leg pullback. So, question is, let me try something. Let me see something. I'm gonna see how I can do a measured move. Where's that old? I'm gonna try to see what I can. see something. I'm trying to figure something out real quick. Hold up. So let me take this measured move here, or around that area. Let me make a duplicate copy underneath that price. Well, no, damn, that's even lower. I think I went a little too far. Where it could pull back this. I'm trying to get the right measure move real quick. Hold up. Let me see if I can fix this. I'm trying to figure out this level. We do a measure move on the downside. Let me see real quick. Hold up. I think I did that wrong. I may have did that wrong. Let me take. Come on, so I can hurry before this damn thing closes. Let me try this one maybe. Towards these bottoms, around that level. All right, let me see. So let me take this measure move here, and then make a duplicate copy underneath that bad boy. This way, it's still going below 540. Even if I do that, go this way, yeah, because you still got room to fall back this way. Yeah, 545, 540 level. When you get that same measure move here, down this way. You'll get that same, almost same exact measured move. So that means you may have room to still fall. I mean, So let's see. What time we got? 6 minutes. Still underneath that price point, cool. Still need that price point. That's all that matters. Still underneath it. Man, god dang it. I can't believe that I did that. I can't believe I did that.
D Nice Champion says, I'm looking at NASN man.
Alright, let me see. Hold on, boss. Let me so right now.
Champion says, this shit could drop that RFR.
Yeah, I told y'all we possibly could see 540. I told y'all. It's a possibility we could see 540. Everybody thought I was lying. Everybody was over exaggerating everything, thought I was lying. So let me see. Let me watch this 552 level. Let me see. God, I'm still trying to hold 552. Come on, man. Close underneath, close underneath. That's gonna help out even better. We need to get that flow out of the way. Come on. We need sellers to close underneath 552 because we don't want them to reutilize that floor. Come on, sellers. Take out 552 because that'll help us out even more. Stay underneath 552. Where we at right now? 552.03. Come on, go into the 551s. Close underneath. Because we don't want them to save that. We don't want them to hold that bottom. We don't want those buyers to hold that bottom. We want to take that out because we're trying to aim for 550. What we got left? 5 minutes. Come on, Bears. Yank them. Because that'll help us out. Because we want to get rid of that floor. We want to get rid of that 552 floor. Because you got to remember, 552 is the level they bounced out on that Tuesday. See that? 552. So we want to stay underneath 552. So let's see. Right now, okay. Stay underneath it. Don't let them recover it. Do not let them recover it. Stay underneath 552. Stay underneath it because I know they fighting. Stay underneath it. We gotta close underneath it. Pull away from it. Pull. Come on, by us. Bull. Bears. Come on, Bears. Come on. Damn, y'all realize I ain't taking lunch yet? That's crazy. I ain't even taking lunch. I know. In order for us to hit it, we gotta get rid of that level. We gotta get rid of 52. We almost there. We damn near there, Queen. But we gotta get those bears to close underneath 52 because they gotta take that floor away from those buyers. We gotta stay underneath it. We gotta close underneath it because that's gonna help even more. Because if they can stay underneath that 52, then down to 50 we go. And then we hit 50, you already know what's underneath that 50 level is gonna be 40. Because we're not too far from it. And we could get those bears to close underneath 52, then you have room to fall down to possible 50. From that 50 level down to 48, 46, when you'll be crossing that 45 level. So this is gonna be the area. We gotta close underneath it. We gotta close underneath 52. Come on, Bears. Close underneath. What we got left? 3 minutes. Come on, Bears. Y'all believe in y'all. Close underneath it. Stay underneath that level. Take that area away from the Bulls. Take it away. Because, it's close. All right, 51. Come on. 51.99. Come on. Yank them. Stay underneath it. We want to close that candle underneath, right underneath it. All right, right now we're at 551.90. Come on, Bears. Because it's going to be a battle. Boy, it's going to be a battle. Because that's that pivot point. That's that mid area. Because like I said, even if I shrink this up, that's your midpoint. See, if we look at it from a bigger channel standpoint, my bottoms is 540. Midpoint is around 552. And the top's around 564. So That's your midpoint. Because you want to, again, we want to focus on trading underneath the midpoint. We want to focus on the lower portion of the channel. So we want to get rid of the upper portion and start focusing on the lower portion of the channel. So by doing that, we're going to have to crack 552 so we can focus on the lower portion of the channel from 550, 548, 546, 544, 542 down to 540. But we gotta get underneath that midpoint. We gotta get underneath the mid area, and that's gonna be 552. Oh, come on, Bears. Come on, Bears. Come on, man. Don't hold it. Don't hold it. Don't hold it. Come on, man. Come on, Bears. Come on, Bears. I mean, the main thing is we still underneath the 553.90 level. But what will help even more if we stay underneath 552. We got to stay underneath it. Because, I mean, I see them Bears trying to come for it. We got 1 minute left. Oh, God. It's 1 minute left. 1 minute left. We back down to the 52s. Come on, Bears. Come on. Underneath. Right underneath it. Oh, stop giving it back to them. Come on, Bears. Come on, Bears. Close underneath 52. What we got left? 30 seconds. Come on, Bears. Come on. You're right there. 552.10. 552.11. Come on, get back into the single digits. Come on, get out of the teens. Back in the single digits. Come on, Bears. Come on. Yank them, man. We got 20 seconds. I don't think they're going to stay on that floor. God dang it. Damn it. I don't think they're going to hold that floor. God dog it. God dang it. They're going to hold that floor for right now. Yep. 1 o'clock. Shoot. But we still got 553.91. We still got 553.91. We're still underneath. So let's see. Man, that would have helped. That would have helped more if we would have fell underneath that 552. That'd have helped out even better. Come on, man. Come on, man. God, dog. That'd have helped out even better. Because if we would have stayed underneath that, that would have turned to resistance, where we could have been possibly pulling back down to 550. Again, 548, 546. I mean, I'm gonna still keep it on watch. I'm gonna still keep it on watch. Cause I'm gonna see if Bears can get underneath that 52 level. Cause like I said, we get underneath that level. I mean, again, we got a lot of room to still fall. What's up, T? What's up, T? God dang it, man. And the Bears had to let them have it. Cause and the reason why I'm calling it out, engineer, because that would have took us out of the Bulls territory, like completely. Cause we already took out 554. The next level we needed to take out was 552, because that would have changed. That would have transitioned that demand zone into a supply zone. So we would have been turning this level here green to red. We'd have been turning this level here green to straight red, because now they belong to the Bears. We would have been doing this. So now we would have had two territories. We would have had the tops here, and then we would have been moving our way this way. We'd have been going to creating another channel this way. That's why we need to take that out, because we need to take away that area away from the Bulls. You know, take that floor away from them so we can utilize that, go from a demand zone to now a supply zone. So that's why I was telling them we needed to pull underneath, because the Bears would have had control of it. The Bears would have had complete control of that zone right here if they would have stayed underneath it. Man, it would have had and that would have helped us out a lot, because then we could have got it close underneath 52 and got that rotation all the way back down this way. I mean, it looks like they're still trying, but it's gonna cause a little friction because those buys are right here. The buys are sitting right here. So I mean, if those Bears could close underneath that 52 level, man, I'm telling you, we can transition that demand zone to a supply zone. That's why I was like, man, close. But one thing we did gain, engineer, Dan, is 553.91. We got that one. We closed underneath that price point. So that area is a resistance. The next level we got to take out is that 552. Because we got to take away this away from the buyers. Because right now, as long as those buyers hold that 52 level, they hold control of it over that. Because like I said, look at Tuesday. Try to pull it down to 552 Tuesday, and look what happened. Buyer stepped in, pushed it right back on up, because they still hold control of it. Because again, in order for us to see the bearish side of this setup, we're going to have to crack 552, because that's what's separating us from the Bulls and the Bears. As long as you stay on top of that 552 level, it's bullish. It's when you crack that key level, it's going to turn into bearishness, because old support can turn into new resistance. So I mean, you can see right across the board. No candles have closed underneath that level yet. That's why I was trying to anticipate it was gonna close underneath 52. That's what I was anticipating. I'm like, man, close underneath it, because that's gonna be a first candle close underneath that particular price point. I mean, is it still an opportunity? If they can close underneath it, it's still a fighting chance. I mean, it's still a fighting chance. If they can close underneath that 52 level, it's still a fighting chance. So right now, we're pulling back down to it. Bears just have to close underneath it because they got to take that floor away from those buyers. Because you see how you keep bouncing on top of it? We need to close underneath it because that'll confirm, that'll give us that confirmation that now the Bears have now taken over the Bulls territory. Now we can turn that level from green to red. So that means that now buyers going to have to go towards another lower level. They're going to have to go even lower to another territory. Because now the Bears kicking them out of their own territory, not going this way. It's almost like here. Like, I'm going to try to use for example. Kind of like, something like to this nature. Like, okay, say for instance, this was a Bulls territory. And we wind up cracking it. But the Bears want to push you out of it. Now, what the Bulls got to do is find another lower price point, a lower level. So that's kind of the same thing we want to do with this one. We want to kick them out of that. We're going to kick them out of that level so we can create a new one. So right now, 552 is going to hold. So Bulls still have it. That's the only thing. Bulls still have it at this moment. But the Bears have an advantage right at 553.91. So they have an advantage too. So it may just be in a little channel. It may go back and forth. So we're going to watch. So we know where the bottoms is at as of now. We're going to see if those Bears are going to hold and, keep those Bulls underneath that 553.91. So as we push back up to that level, let's see if they're going to hold them. Because right now, we underneath that price point, boss. So that's good. So that's resistance. So look right here. Look at that 1 o'clock candle. And engineer. So let me go back this way. Look right here. See, we didn't close. This candle closed underneath that floor, not on top of it. So that means that even if those buyers push back up, they can still be considered resistance. As they may set those bears may set up a bull trap. As we push back up, get a little spike on, get a like an upper shadow where the body of the candle is gonna go right back underneath it. So we may flip it. Like I said, we may see an upper shadow, but the body of the candle may close back below this price point. What's up, Queen? Love you, mama. So, Bears got that level because Bears took that away from the Bulls because you no longer have a floor, not even on the 180 chart. So, that means that they could be setting up a possible bull trap as the Bulls try to push back up. So, which could lead to more of a stronger pullback in the sense because that's gonna create fear in the Bulls. So, you can see right now, create a little bit of fear.
D-Nice Champion says, I'd have a great rest of your stream, bro.
Man, you too, boss, man. You have a blessed one, man. And congratulations on your profits too, man. And good luck to you on your BTC trade too, boss. I'm going to keep it on watch too because I know they don't look at Bitcoin, but I'm going to keep it on watch for you, man. I got you. So I'm going to go through the charts, in like just carefully, and I'm going to go through everything for you. I got you, boss.
Good shit on the analysis was definitely on point.
Man, appreciate you, boss. But yeah, for the BTC one, I got you. I'm gonna, after my live, I'm gonna definitely go into a deeper breakdown to see exactly what the strong points of resistance is. So I got you, boss. I got you. Yeah, because you always coming through for me. I got you, boss. No problem at all. No problem. I got you. Let's see, guys. 552. Here we go. Let's see. Here we go again. Let's see. Can we get that H pattern? Let's see, can we get that curl on down? I don't see a pattern on that one. But I just do see an H pattern. I do see that. So if everything goes according to plan, because I want that 52 crack. Because that means we're going down towards that area I talked about. If we can get that H pattern and get rejected right here, if those bears can take out that 52, on down to 50 you go, 48 you go, possible 46 you go, and we'll just keep trending down. So where we at? Still fighting 52? Still not yet. Because I still think, deep in my heart, and again, y'all can call me crazy. Call me crazy all y'all want to. But so far, like I said, this is my prediction. This is what I'm predicting. From either scenario number 1, which you could be setting up for a possible head and shoulders pattern, or case scenario number 2, where we hold that 540 level, back up to 560, where we will rotate in between them price points and get that squeeze right back up towards the upside. But I still think 540s. We still gonna see 540s somewhere along that line. I'm not giving up on 540. But 540, I believe in you. Shit. 540, I believe in you. I believe you, baby. All we gotta do is get that crack. 52. On down to 50 you go. New lows. 48 you go. New lows. 46 you go. New lows. So we just gotta get it. Because, guys, I mean, if we could get that crack, we'll rotate from that pivot point from the upside to the downside. Matter of fact, speaking of rotation, can we do a measured move rotation from this area on down? See how low can we actually go? So how can I measure this? Let's see, what can I do? Let's take, you know, if we were to get that crack, how low could we go? So let me, what the hell is this? I got this line. Oh, I know what that is. Never mind. Don't judge me. So let's see. So let me take another measure move. Let me take a duplicate copy. And let me, what the bottoms? I mean, let me do this. I'm going to shrink it up a little bit. And I'm going to measure it from this area here. Where's the bottoms? I need my bottoms. On down. I want to see something. I'm just trying to measure this out. If we were to crack, how low could we go? The opposite way underneath the yellow line. So I want to see, based off this measured move here that we just measured to the top, how low could we go at these bottoms? This way. How low could we go underneath the yellow line? 542-ish. If we were to cross over this way, how much room you have? Because all I'm doing is taking the measured move that we made on top, now at the bottom. Basically the rotation. So all I'm doing from that point is trying to, why does damn thing keep doing that? Yeah, so all I'm trying to do is look at the rotation above this price point. Like at the tops, like all these top areas we made. Because I could take the whole, matter of fact, I know what I could do. I could take the whole entire, let me see. I could do this. I'm trying to move this damn chart, man. This thing just getting on my nerves. Like, damn, god dang it. Give me the hand so I can move it. Thank you. Jeez Louise. All right, so let me take this measure move towards 64. Shrink this up a little bit so I can see it a little bit better. I'm trying to measure this out, guys. I'm trying to measure this out as best as I can from these tops towards this bottom level here. So let me make that, I'm gonna put it red. Let me see something. So let me take that measure move and go underneath this bad boy this way to see what's the measurements at the bottom. Ooh, bam! Damn! 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 If that wasn't perfect, god dang! If that wasn't perfect, whoa! Damn, if that wasn't perfect. All I did was take the measure moves up here and brought it down underneath the yellow line. So how did I get that? All I did was just take the measurements of the movements above the yellow line up to the 64 level, down to the yellow line, right? Around 52. So all I did was just take that measurement and now put it underneath the yellow line to see how much rotation we have underneath that bad boy. And look where it stops at. 540. Let's go. 540, let's go. 540, let's go. I told you. 540. Look at that. From that rotation to the top of the yellow line to the rotation to the bottom of the yellow line. Same rotation, same measurement. That came out to what? Perfectly 540. That is crazy. That is crazy. Holy crap. Holy crap. If that went damn near spot on, god dang, that was damn near perfect. Let me see. Let me see. I'm going to try to go for, let me see. I'll test it. Let me see what time it is. We don't need 52, right? I'll do it. Think I'm lying? I swear I'll do it. I'll just test it just to see. just to give it a go. Just to see what it'll do. I got the right put, right? Let's make sure I got the right put. So let me see. I want to see. So the only thing I can lose is $10 on that one. So I mean, I'm just testing it out. I'm going to see. I want to see. I want to make sure I got the right contract to put because I know it's kind of rushing. Let me see. I want to see. I'm going to keep it on watch. I want to see. Oh, I've got to put my I just want to see. I just want to see if I was correct on that. So down 50 cents. That ain't bad. I mean, I could have gotten a little lower. So I want to see. I just want to see. Cause right now you need we got left 2 minutes. Right now you need 52. You need 52. All right, 52. So why is it? Wait, should be going up then. Yeah, we pulling back then. So I want to see this measure. I just want to see. I just want to see. Cause right now I want to need 52. So I just did one just to see if we gonna get this pullback all the way down. I just want to see if I was correct. I just want to see if I was correct on that. What up, Nuno? Man, ain't seen you in a minute, boss. What's up? Long time no see, man. So let's see if my measurement was correct. Let me see. Let's see. We'll see, bosses. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Wait, I just want to make sure I got the right contract. Because if we pulling back, why it should be moving. Oh, it is moving up. So why is the thing not changing? So right now we still need. We got left still 1 minute left, and we still need 52. I just want to see if I was correct with this. I mean, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm, the only thing I can lose is 10. So wait, SPY puts. Okay, I was just trying to make sure I had the right one. I was looking at this. So right now we only need 52. So I know it's gonna be some back and forth because I just want to see if I was right on this measurement. So I just want to test it. I just want to see. Because right now we only need 52. All right now we underneath it. Why is it showing negative? Wait, did I click on the right thing? So why is it? Wait. Something ain't right. That's a put. Yeah, it is the right one. So why is it showing a -1 if okay, we are bouncing up a little bit. All right, so okay, it is 150. I was wondering, I'm like, wait, but something ain't right with this contract. I had to go a little cheaper because I missed all my other ones. Because I was trying to go with the one for 45, but so let me see. I'm gonna keep it on watch. I'm gonna see where we go from here. All right, back down 50. I just want to see if I was correct about this measurement. Because right now you only need 52. So I need 52. Alright, I need 52. So let's see, can we get that pull down to 50? Let me see. Can pull it down to 50. Alright, let's see where we go, guys. Let's see where we go. Alright, so I'm up 50 cents. So I just want to see, can we pull all the way down to 50? I was trying to go with 45, but I had missed that one, so I had to go with like 43. But I didn't. Yeah, so at least have a little bit of if I can get out a little before then. So yeah, I got 43. I got 43 contract. I just want to see if my theory was correct. I want to see if my theory is correct. Because the main thing I want to see is us in the 540s. I definitely want to see the 540s. So right now in the 550s, I just want to see if I was correct on this. See if your boy is correct on this. Alright, 150. Alright, keep pushing. I want to see this pullback. Because I know it's going to be. Because I'm aiming for 540. I just want to see if we're going to get it. I'm just being patient. Alright, right now got room to fall down to possibly 150. We just talked about that. So right now we underneath that whatchamacallit, we underneath the midpoint area. So we already cracked 552. That floor is gone. Gone. Long gone. So let's see. How much room? Now, matter of fact, I'm gonna bring up my other chart too, cause I want to watch that one too, cause I just want to see if we're gonna actually do it. I wonder if we're gonna do it today. Could we get that pull back to the 40 today? Let me see how far we got left. Like how far we still got left to pull. Let's see. How far we got left before we hit that possible area. Still got a little bit left to go to that 40 mark. So we got to crack 50 for sure. So we got to crack 50 to put us in the 40 range. To get that pull back towards the 40s. Man! God dang, man. Alright, let's see. I mean, I'm just playing around with it. I just wanted to see. I just wanted to see if I was correct. I just want to see if I was correct on it. So right now where we at? So we gotta crack 550. Cause that's gonna be $half mark. We're gonna definitely have to crack 550 because I already know it's gonna be some type. Those buys gonna try to buy. They're gonna try to hold that level because you lose that 550. You out of the 550 range. You're going to the 540 range. So I know it's gonna take some time. Let me let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. I just want to see if I was correct on my move. So right now 550. So this is what I was anticipating. I'm gonna show y'all my drawing. Which one first? Oops, my bad. Move this one out the way. I got the file. Let me show the picture. My fault. So I was anticipating that we're gonna get rejected 560 down to the 540 levels, back down to these low areas. So that's case scenario number one. That's that inverted head and shoulders pattern, and then I still got this level that's still showing 540. So I want to see what it's gonna do. I'm just giving it some time to just do its thing, move around a little bit. So I'm gonna keep it on watch. So I'm still anticipating 540. Like I said, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But so far, I mean, we are heading into that right direction because 549 not too far from that level. You know, going into the 540s. Yeah, 50 cents. Let me see. I just want to see. Like I said, I'm gonna give it some time to do what it do. The only thing I can lose is 10 on this. I mean, I just wanted to test my theory out. All right, here we go. Put them back up. Let's see. I'm still gonna give it some time. As long as we stay on E52, it ain't gonna phase me. As long as we stay on E52, I'm fine with that. Could I add another one? Oh yeah, I could add another one. So I got my alert set at where? I got two alerts. One at 45 and one at 40. Just in case. Like I said, if we go back up 52, you know, I mean, it is what it is. But I mean, from this level underneath that midpoint, I mean, you got room to rotate towards the bottom of that channel. So that's why I'm just trying to just case this theory out real quick. So, I mean, I'm not gonna cry about $10, you know, but I'm still gonna test it just to see. I ain't gonna cry about it. But everything does go right. I mean, I definitely should see a little bit more reward than risk. So where we at right now? Got about 9 minutes on this candle. I'm just still keeping on watch. Take some time, you know, give it some time to do what it do. I mean, I could have got in some lower. I mean, a little bit lower, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll just be patient. Like I said, as long as we stay underneath 52, let that hold its resistance. I'm gonna just give it some time to do what it do. I'm gonna give it some time. Give it some time, guys. So I know I'm gonna have to do a little bit of, you know, a little bit of pain a little bit. So I'm gonna see where we go. Cause we underneath that bad boy. So we closed underneath it. So 52 should be resistance from this point. I mean, even if this candle close out. Yes, today's contract. That's what I'm saying. I'm not holding it for long. I just want to see, can we get the pull? Can we get that full pullback? I mean, we're not too far from it. I just want to see, can we get it on Thursday? Because I mean, everything is in the red. I mean, Nvidia is. I mean, the whole market is in the red. The whole market is bearish right now. That's why I was just trying to give it a chance. I think it should be set for the right day, right? Yeah, today's the 13th, correct? Yeah, today's 13th.
Jackie Garcia says, I love you.
Love you too, Queen. Love you too. Love you too. I mean, even if it go, I mean, I could. Let me see. I could add another. No, but I mean, like I said, I mean, I'm getting in and out anyway, man. I'm not gonna ride all the way down till there's no buyers in it. No, I'm not doing that, engineer. Hell no. You know, no. Negative. Not riding it all the way. I mean, matter of fact, to show you, what I'm gonna do is, I'll set it to 2 cents. I'll set it 2 cents. That'll be $8 loss. We'll do that. So we'll just say that. You know, we used to pull back down all the way to, you know, so instead of $10, $8. We'll do that. So where I can still have some leeway, still get out of the contract, still use the same day contract. So, yeah, I mean, so I moved it, like I said, $8. $8 stop loss. So, because I'm not gonna let it ride down all the way to 0 and then buyers leave out of it. Hell to the no. Negative on that. Because some people do that. Like, they'll ride it all the way down to 0 and hold it, and all the buyers will leave out of that contract. At least I know if I'm at like 2 cents, I mean, before it even hits 1, it's going to hit my stop loss first and foremost, where I get out of it. Make sure I ain't got a good account. Make sure it's on day. Yeah, it's on day. Counter time. What you mean, Queen? What you mean counter time? You said counter time? Like in what way? What you mean? On the 15? What you mean candle time? Because I mean, Nvidia cracked this uptrend. I mean everything, like I say, everything's in the red right now. Definitely in the red. I mean, nothing helped the market this week. CPI didn't help. PPI didn't help. Initial jobless claims didn't help. Tomorrow you got consumer sentiments. The consumer sentiment's been bad. How much time left on a? Oh, it's just 15 minutes. All you do is just, from 15, 30, 45. You know, that's it. That's all you gotta do. That's how you count the times. I mean, all I do is watch the time on my thing move. But I know, 15 minutes. All I do is add 15 minutes to each area. So, from 15 to 30 to 45 to the, next thing. That's it. So right now, 25, you got 5 minutes left on that candle. So once they hit 30, that candle should close out. And then you're going to have another 15-minute time frame, which is going to be at 45. And then from that one, you're going to have 2 o'clock. So, like I said, I pushed it up to 8, so I can still get out of this contract if things don't go right. If buyers do step in out of nowhere and just blast it back on off. But to me, everything is still looking weak. I don't see no area where they could do that at. I mean, get some little, even though Nvidia is trying to get a bounce, you're underneath the trend line. You're on the bearish side of things. Can you help me understand if you can put trail stops? When is it put on this stuff? There is a way to set a trail stop loss. Shoot, I'm trying to remember how to do it. I'll just do it mentally. Cause I use Queen, I use the active ladder. So what I do is wherever my entry is at, all I do is give me like a little space underneath. So I'll be like, okay, if I'm in one contract, you go by single digits. If you got 2 contracts, you got to go by double digits. So it's on how much risk are you willing to take. So on one contract, if it goes 10 cents against you, that's $10 because it's one contract. If it's 2 contracts, then you got to double that. Now that's 20. If you got 3 contracts, that's 30. Still at 10 cents. 4 contracts, 40, and so forth. So that's another way to do it. Depends on how many contracts you have. Based off of 10 cents, just base it off of that area. That's what I do. Like I said, 1 contract is $10. 2 contracts, 20. 3 contracts, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so forth. So that's about the easiest way to do it. That's the easiest way to do it, Queen. But yeah, I just said personal little stop losses. And like I said, the reason why I got in right underneath, and I'm gonna tell you why I got in at. I got in like right after that candle closed. I kind of got in like right here. I got in like right in this level. That's why I try to get in as low as I could, just to test it to see if we're gonna stay underneath that 52. Because as long as we stay underneath the 52 range, then we should be seeing a possible pullback because 52 is resistance because that floor no longer exists. So right now, that's resistance, and then your 9 EMA is pulling back down towards 52, which is that's going to enhance the resistance even more, where that's going to double the resistance because you're still underneath the 9 EMA. So yeah, I'm gonna have a little bit of pullback here and there, but the main price that I'm watching is 552. I'm watching 552. I mean, look at NVIDIA. You done fell underneath all your indicators. I mean, you done fell underneath the 50 for crying out loud. Your 90 MA is curling on down. Your 20 is curling on down. Your VWAP is curling on down. So even though despite the spike, you're going to have a lot of resistance right above your head on NVIDIA. So you make it a little pop, but 9 times out of 10, look like it's good. It's ready to pull back, especially crossing over that 50, because the 50 is almost like a big VWAP. So it's like anytime you're above it, you know, they'll utilize it for support. Anytime you're underneath this, utilize for like resistance. So right now you're underneath that 50 SMA, which is that big, the red line. So right now you're underneath it. That can still be considered for resistance. So yeah, I'm gonna have to endure a little bit of, you know, but I still got my little stop loss set. You know, if it work, it work. If it don't, it don't. At least I'm giving it a try, giving it a chance to see. But what it better not do is do what it normally do. Is you take me out and then go back up. It better not do that, because it's good for doing that crap. No problem at all, Queen. But you can set trail stop loss. You can do that. I'm just trying to, because it's been so long since I did that, because I'm so used to using mental stop loss, because I use my active ladder, and all I do is just kind of create the value in my head. That's normally what I do. Like I said, I use a 10-cent method. So again, 10-cent method on any amount of contracts. Like I said, one contract is 10, 2, 20, 30, 40, 50, depending on how many contracts you had. That's how you just base your risk. How much are you willing to lose? So even if you got like, let's say 5 contracts, you don't necessarily have to, you know, wait all the way to 50. You can play half of it. You know, half of that is 25. So if you want to take a $25 loss versus a $50 loss, take half. You know, instead of having to ride all the way down to your stop loss, you don't have to do that. Take half of that loss, boom. So at least you don't have to get try to recover a full loss. You just recover half a loss. Still watching, guys. Still watching. I just want to see, man, if my theory gonna be correct, man. I mean, I know it's gonna be some little bounces. I already know. But what it better not do, I swear, it better not take me out and go back up. It better not, because it's good for doing that. It better not. It better keep falling. It better keep falling from this point. God dog it. We underneath 52, God dog it. On down to 50. Stop playing. Go all the way. We already hit what, 50-36? So 50-36. So 50-36. Alright, so I'm just being patient, man. I'm just being patient, letting him do his thing. So I'm watching each price point, because like I said, normally the way SPY moves, it moves like $2 increments. So you go from 56, 54, 52, 50, 48, 40, in that nature. So right now, we want to see the crack of that $half mark, which is at $50. So if we could crack 50, we're going into the 40 brackets. We'll be in the 540 brackets. We'll be in the 540 brackets. So let's see. So the main thing we want to clear is 550, because we want to get out of the 50 area. We want to clear 550. We want to clear that bad boy. Because from that point, it's going to put us in the 540 brackets. So right now, we're pulling back down to 550. Let's see, can we get a 550 crack? So let me set an alert. I'm going to set an alert just in case to see if we can give it this crack. I mean, I know we're pulling down to it by the time it probably hit it. Let me see. So I'm just taking my time. Letting this thing just air out. Oops, God dang it. Let this thing air out. 550. Ah, come on. Stupid thing. I hate when it do that. All right, let's see. 550 below. Now, the reason why, like I said, psychologically, that's a whole number. So that's why you're going to have a little bit of interruption, because every whole number is going to act as support or resistance. So, and not just that, 550 is the $half mark. Because like I said, if you look at it from a $100 standpoint, 600 was in the middle of that, 550. So if we could crack 550, then we'll go into the lower price brackets. So that's what I'm just saying. Can we get this 550 crack? We already lost 552 that we talked about. Done. Bears already. So now that area is going to turn into a supply zone. So now that area is supply zone, because bears done moved in now. They done kicked the bulls out and then moved in. So that means that bears going to have to find a new location. So they're going to have to go lower. So right now, 550.33. So right now, back up 50 cents. So right now, back up 50 cents. So I'm just slowly watching this. Slowly watching it. Come on, 550. Come on, 550. It's just slowly watching this bad boy. Like I said, I mean, I can just risk. I'm gonna just risk $8 on it, because I'm using the same day contract. I don't want to be stuck in it, so I gotta move it up a little bit. So these odds still get taken out without holding it and and getting closed out on it. All right, come on. Come on, Bears. You already took over 52. So now this area is going to be a supply zone now. So it's no longer a demand zone. So now that area is going to be red because now the Bears are in it. So now we have 2 supply zones. So Bears already conquered that 64-61 level, which you can see right here. Because every time buyers go up, they get rejected right back out of it. So now they have a new location, which is this location. So now we got a new supply zone. So that's gonna be resistance. So now that's the area. So now Bulls they're gonna have to scramble for lower prices now. Now the only way we can reverse that if Bulls would just come out of nowhere and just blast, and that'd be insane. But that's the only way I would see that. But right now, I mean, now that demand zone is now a supply zone because now Bears have moved into it. Because now those areas are resistance. So now we just need to crack this 5. Today's volume is... I know. I already know, Queen. Trust me, I already know. So right now, let's see, can we get the crack of this 550? Crack this 550 to the 540. So at least I was right about the 540s if we crack 550. Y'all gotta give me credit on that. Y'all gotta give me credit on that. Because if we crack 550s to the 540s, I brought up 540s. Y'all gotta give me credit on that. Y'all gotta give me credit on that. Because I was screaming that out all day. I said even yesterday, I said we can see 540. We can see 540. We can see 540. I broke everything down to a science. Y'all gotta give me credit on, even if we fall into the 540s. It don't matter whether it's the high 540s. You gotta give me credit for seeing a 5 and a 4. You gotta give me credit on that. Y'all gotta give me some credit on that. We see 5-4. We crack 550 and 5-4. Y'all gotta give me credit. Y'all gotta show me some love. So right now we're still at 550. So 550. So what I want to see is 5-4. Because I was screaming that out all day and yesterday. So right now I'm still pulling back. Still pulling back. Man, come on. Man, this thing should be moving up, god dog it. Talking about my P&L, like, jeez, Louise. Well, I guess once it cracks that 50, we may start to move up a little faster. Cause I'm just testing it. So I got my strike price at 43. I didn't go all the way for 40. I didn't want to go too. Cause I still got to deal with the 45 level. That half dollar more. Come on, 550. Come on, 550. About 32 cents away, man. Come on. What was the lows? 550.22. Come on, man. I want to see 540 so my team can show me some love. Just let them know I wasn't crazy. I'm calling out the 540s. Come on, man. Show me 5-4s. Show me some 5-4s. Come on, man. Build some more lows. Come on, baby. Come on, man. Come on. And Nvidia, sit your ass down. Keep falling. Like, stop trying to go back up. Fall, for crying out loud. Stop. You already cracked your trend line. Give it up. Fall, god dog it. Come on, Spy. Give me them 5-4s, man. Give me them 5-4s. We like right there. Like right there. Oh, you little dirty somebody. Come on, man. We right at the 540s, like right there. We knocking at that door. We knocking at that 550 door. We right there. I ain't giving up. I'm not giving up. I ain't giving up. I still think we'll see 540s. I don't give a damn if it's the high 540s, mid 540s, low 540s. I screamed out 540s. Period. Alright, getting low. Creating a new low. 550, come on. I want to see some 5-4s. 5-4s. I see 5-4s. Y'all got to give me love. We see from the 5-5-0s to the 5-4s. Y'all got to show me love. I see 5-4s. Show me love. We about 15 cents away, 14 cents away from it. Oh, come on, man.
Sabiron 24 cents. They're giving me blue balls.
Really, Sabiron? I mean, the market's still weak. Like I said, the entire market is still weak. You know, despite even if it bounces back up, the market's still in the red. I mean, we still closing in the red because the open is all the way in the what was the open? It was 58. Yeah, 58. So we would drop damn near $8 down from that open. Drop $8 down from the open. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. 540s. Come on. I've been calling this out, man. Come on, Spy. Don't make me look crazy in front of my people, please. 540s. Come on, man. We right there. We right there. We right there. We right there. Just cross that line, man. Cross that line, man. Because I want my team to be proud of me, man. To let them know I wasn't crazy. Because I know that what I was calling sounded far-fetched.
Where do you see Meta ESLA bottom?
Let me check it out, boss. I just want to see this cross, man. I just want to see them 5-4s, man. We done came this far. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Don't make me look crazy, Spy. Don't do this. Don't do this. Alright, let me see Meta. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, Bass. Do this for your boy, man. Come on, man. I've been rooting for y'all all day, man. Don't do this to me. Let me see. Meta. Where we at right now? Right now, lows of 582s. That was Tuesday. So we hit those lows. So right now we're in a 5. Wait, where we at right now? 580s. Come on, baby. Come on, red counter. Man, do this. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there from crossing to the 5-4s. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. Show these people I'm not crazy. Show these people I'm not insane. That I was right about at least close to that level. Come on, man. So let me see Meta. So 582s. We had these lows. 582s so far. Let me see. Come on, man. I'm just still being patient, guys. I'm still being patient. It's fun to watch, though. It's fun to watch. Wait, why is showing a trend? Oh, this is a trend. Wait, it's a trend line? I thought that was a price line. It is a trend? Wait, where's my 15-minute time frame on this bad boy? Oh, I guess I gotta create a new one. So let's see. Lows at these moments. You have bounced as low as 82.80. Let me double check my whatchamacallit, boss. Let me check real quick. Hold up. Let me go to my 180 chart on Meta. Because I want to get a true like readout on it. Let me get a true readout. Come on, Spy. Come on, man. Alright, let me see Meta. Real quick while I'm watching this still. It's gonna give me foreplay. I already know what it's gonna do. It's gonna give me foreplay. It's gonna give me foreplay right around that damn 550. I already know I'm gonna get foreplay around it. it's gonna mess with my emotions right around 550. Cause I told y'all that level gonna be important because you gotta think about it. 550, you crossing over, that's your $half mark. That's why that level is gonna be very important. You're gonna see a lot of back and forth because you're cracking that $half mark going into now the low 500 levels. Cause now you'll be entering the 540s. So that's why you're gonna see a lot of back and forth on that bad boy. Come on, man. I see red candle. I see you. I see you. See me. See you. I see it. It's like right there. All right, let's see. All right, let me see. 180. I'm gonna have to make a new chart. So I'm gonna have to put some new lines on this bad boy. I got some old ones. Cause that bad boy on a downtrend. I mean, even Meta on a downtrend. I mean, that bad boy coasting. So let me see what I can do. Cause I'm gonna have to make a new channel for this bad boy. So I mean, I got the old channels. Let me stretch this out this way to the right and to the right. Okay. And these bottoms is around this level. What is this? We're right at the bottoms too. Right at these bottoms. Is that around 585.50? Let me see, 585.50. Let me see that's what that is. Boy, I tell you, boy, it's gonna this thing give me foreplay right now. So what a good. 580. I said 585.50, right? Let me see. Yep. So it looks like around at 585.50. Because, I mean, you're on this downtrend setup still. Yeah, because that bad boy look like it can still pull back down to the 560s. Even lower than that. Let me see. Because you got these lows here. Yeah, because you cracked that trend line. I mean, because this is where the buyer stepped in at. Right around 585.50. You got that bounce, 585.50 bounce. Then you went back on, then you went on that rally. But now you back on down. So, if those buyers do not hold around at 585.50, we could be cracking back down towards that 580 level. So, let me see. 585.50. So, it looked like around that level. I swear this thing give me foreplay. Spy. It's like a love-hate relationship. I swear I got with this damn thing. Just don't want to listen to me. Selfish broad. Let's see. So 585.50. From that key level, we crack that. You'll be rotating back this way. I mean, it looked like it. Who was that at X? That was Chris. Yeah, I mean, it looked like if we crack this key level, boss, we could fall back down to the 580s, even as low as to the 560s, where we could rotate down this way, boss. So it looked like if we crack 580. No, wait. No, wait, not yet. Show me some fours. Show me some 5-4s. Show me some 5-4s. Ooh, you. Show me some 5-4s. 5-4s. Show me some 5-4s. I got 550 on point. It hit that level. Show me some 5-4s, man. I don't want to look crazy. 5-4s, baby. 5-4s. Come on. You mother. You dirty. I can't say it. I'm trying to keep it PG-13. Yo, you mother. 5-4s, baby. Come on. 5-4s, man. Come on, man. We right there. We hit 550 on the spot. Come on, man. 5-4s. Because that means that if we crack, all right, 550, I want to see some 5-4s. I see 5-4s. Y'all got to give me love. Come on. 5-4, you selfish mother. 5-4. Come on, 550 crack, man. 550 crack, man. Get into the 5-4s. 5-1. 5 up. Come on, sexy. Come on. 5-4s, baby. 5-4s. Ah, you dirty. I'm watching the price. It's like right by, too. Ah, boy. I told y'all. So let's see. Come on, man. Keep going. 548. Let's go. Come on, man. 548. Goddamn foreplay. Y'all gotta give me crap, man. Come on, man. Guys, come on. Y'all gotta show me love. I said 540s. So now we were $9 away from the actual 540 level. So right now I know we're like $9-10 away. So I know we still got some ways to go. But I said 540s. I said it. So let's see. Which drawing could we possibly see on my prediction? My possible prediction. So I say I'll go with this one first. 540, because I gotta see what's gonna happen at 540. So I said we could fall back down to these levels. So let me see how I look on the 180. Let me see if it looks a little identical to that. Let me see. Hold up. Let me get my proof. You know I gotta show y'all. Let me see. Where we at? Let me shrink it up a little bit. Alright, let's see. Go down a little bit. 540s. We almost, man. Come on, man. 540s is right there. Almost to my alerts. Guys. Almost there. Excuse me. Almost, man. Almost. Oh shit, I closed. Oh, here go Meta. But yeah, Chris, I'm sorry about that, man. I wanted to prove that I wasn't crazy that we're gonna see the 540s. So we in the 540s. So I mean, we still digging, we still digging, we still digging, still digging, still digging, still digging. So still just letting it marinate, still letting it do what it do. So next level is gonna be around 548, 546. So we're gonna see, cause I wanted to get as close to that 545, cause that means I'm only $5 away from my area I called out from 540. So just keeping this on watch, But yeah, Chris, right now, boss. Again, if we do crack that what we have right now, 587. So yeah, we do crack. I do have an alert set at 585.50. So we do crack that 585.50. We do have room to fall back down to 585 to 580. And we do crack this line here. We do have room to fall back down to even to the lows of 560s. So I mean, it could be another $20 drop on down towards 560s, boss. So I mean, you still got room to still fall, because that downtrend is still taking effect right now. That bad boy is still dropping, boss. Because that'll get you out of this channel setup. Because you broke out of that channel, then back in that channel. Now you may be rotating on the downside of that channel. So yeah, you got a rotation on top of it. Now you may be getting a rotation underneath it. So yeah. So 580 to 560 could be that next key level. So keep that on watch. As long as again the market stays weak, I mean, yeah, I mean, more pullback is coming. All right, so I knew it was gonna be a lot of foreplay around that 550. I already knew that. I already knew it. I knew it was gonna be foreplay around that shiitake. 550. I already knew it was gonna be foreplay. We almost to my. Oh, come on, man. I just need to stay underneath 550, down to 548, 546. Because I knew a little bounce was going to happen. I already knew, because I knew buyer psychologically was going to step in right there. I already knew that, because you remember I told you that you have dollar mark. I told you that's going to act as support and resistance. That's a natural area. So I already knew that was going to happen. Come on, man. Keep with the pullbacks. Keep pulling back. I tried, guys. And like I said, I mean, we'll see. So far, we got 549. Excuse me, 549.68. 549.68. So far, 549.68. I know we still got some room to still pull our way down. I know. Oh man, come on, man. Still watching, guys. I'm still watching. Because you got to keep in mind, we're still underneath 552. Bears then moved into that area. So 552 is going to be resistance. Even if you push back up, it's going to be some resistance around that level. So let's see. Market is still red. I mean, the only reason why we're bouncing up because NVIDIA is bouncing up. That's why you're catching that bounce, because this bad boy is trying to bounce off at 115 level. We got Tesla trying to bounce. Oh, yeah, there go that inverted cup and handle pattern. So it could possibly push up to that 240 level. 240 level where you start to work on that handle. So you are getting that cup and like that inverted cup and handle. So that's doing that. Man. Fall back underneath 50. Because I need to see you back down to 548 next. 548 is next. Let me see. I'm sending a alert at 548. Let me see if we get that. If those sellers can come in and give us that pullback down to that level, then we can get the ball rocking and rolling. Down 3. Because there's so much to gain on the downside, especially if we get that crack. Versus I got like less risk and possible more reward if we get this pullback. Because like I said, the farthest I can lose is 8. I just don't want to take it out. I just don't want to take it out and then bounce up again like it normally do. Let me see, because right now, I mean, you are bearish on the 180. Completely bearish. completely bearish on the 180. Let me see around that 550 level. I'll see any bounces in that area. Not really. Come on, phone. Come on, 540. Come on, 540. Come on, Bass, man. Come on, Bass. Set up these bull traps and yank them back down, man. Come on, man. Set up these bull traps. Let me see, guys. Like I said, I'm trying to see can we get this crack back underneath 550 because I'm still trying to aim for 540. We just got to get this crack back underneath so we go back in the 540 range. Come on, 550. Just got to get this crack here. You get this crack, possibly move down to 548. From 548, 546, down into that 545 level. And that $half mark on in the 540s. So that's what I'm anticipating. Can we get this continuation pullback this way? I'm keeping it on watch, guys. I'm going to see where we go. Still watching Nvidia. Nvidia still trying to get a little bounce. Tesla still trying to get a little bounce. So you got resistance around 240 on Tesla, and you got resistance around that 116ish area on Nvidia. So look like let's see what happens around their resistance areas because you're hitting that VWAP on Nvidia. You're hitting the VWAP. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, Bass. Come on, Bass. Set up them bull traps and put them back down. Come on, man. I'm being patient, guys. I'm being as patient as I can to just see can we get this pulled back down into the 540s. Because like I said, 540s wouldn't be, I mean, I'm just being honest, 540s would not be a bad area, not like a possible, buying area. It wouldn't. That's what I want to see. Can we get them pullbacks to those lows? The lows would not be bad, especially if everything sets the way it needs to set itself up going into next week with the Fed's meeting. I mean, we could definitely see a possible bounce back up towards the upside if everything pans out. So, I mean, let's see, guys. Let's see. I'm still keeping on watch. Still keeping on watch. What we got left on this calendar? 5 minutes? 5 minutes. Because everything is still downtrending. I mean, everything is still on a downtrend. Time it is right now? 1:56. Almost 2 o'clock. Okay. Because I want to be able to move my stop loss up into the gains. So that's why I want to see can we start to get this pull back down. So I can slowly move it up. Slowly move it up to breaking even, to going into profits, and just slowly that's what I wanted to see because I wanted to test my theory to see can we get that possible 540 pullback, 545 to 540 pullback. Because right now we on a They desperately trying to hold at 550 because they lose 550, you going right into the 540s. Because now you done lost the 560 range. Now you be losing the 550 range because now that's $10. And then if you fall into the 540s, that's going to be damn near a $20 drop. That's going to be damn near a $20 drop. Because you already lost damn near 10. I mean, right now you're holding on top of 50. But if they lose 50, that's $10 from 560. And then you fall in the 550 down to 540. That's an additional $10, which that'll give you a total of $20 pullback. And that's the area we talked about. Remember we said a $20 drop and then a $20 pop. So we got $10, 10 more to go. 10 more to go. Back to 250. I already knew it was gonna be some back and forth around that area. I already knew that was coming. 550, I knew that was coming. It's like, ugh. We just gotta cross over underneath. That's what we just need to do now. Cross underneath. start going to the 540s and stay in the 540s. Stay underneath 550s. So we can continue this bloodbath. So So I'm trying to get it, guys. I'm trying. Like I said, I'm just keeping it on watch. All right, right now, 550. Here we go again, 550. Come on, come on, Bears. Come on, Bears. Yank them underneath. Keep them in the 540s. Them buyers are desperately trying to hold that 550 range. They desperately trying to hold it. I mean, it's going to be a lot of pushback, back and forth, back and forth. Being patient, guys. Being patient. Because like I said, we can start to move up. I mean, like, pull back down. You know, then my price levels can move up where I can start to move my stop loss up. So that's what I'm just waiting on. So I can start to move that bad boy back up towards the upside where I can, you know, move my stop loss up, decrease that one, and then start increasing my profits. So that's why I'm just keeping this on watch. So I got 43. I got 43. So right now we're back at 550 again. Still fighting this level. Come on, Bears. Yank them down to 48. Yank them down to 48. Get them away from 550. Get them away from 550. Down to 150 on the P&L. So come on, man. Yank them back underneath 550. Because all this damn foreplay, man, is driving me nuts right now. All this back and forth. I want to see 548s. I want to see the 548s because right now Nvidia's getting weak. Now you back underneath, what, 1550? Back underneath 1550. So you got an upper shadow on that bad boy. You got rejected at the BWAP. Put them back down. Well, it look like that bad boy can go right back down towards that 115ish area. You better not do a red to green. You better not. You better keep going in red. You better not do a red to green. Don't you dare do it. Don't you dare do it. You better keep pulling back. Come on, 550. Come on, Bears. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, Bears. Come on, man. Come on, let's go to this 548. 548. Come on, man. They need to get away from this 550. These motherfuckers. Here we go. 550 again. Here we go. 550. I'm trying to look at these price levels to see. Let me see. Because 550, it don't look like it held up strong even in the past. That's what I'm trying to watch. Because, I mean, you're still pulling back. I mean, you still got room to pull, like, fall underneath that price point where that candle can fall back even lower. Underneath 550. Trying not to get taken out, guys. I do got a little stop loss, man. So I'm trying to see if we're going to get this pullback right at 550, but we ain't pulling back right now. I mean, we may pull back later on, but we're not right now. Man, come on. Come on, Bears. And that's freaking Nvidia and them pushing it back up because Nvidia trying to get that VWAP push. Man, look like they might try to take me out, man, before I can even get the, you know, down to my whatchamacallit. Hope this is gonna hold hope this is gonna be a big bull trap right here. Hope this is gonna be a big bull trap as they try to push back up right at that 9 MA. Let me see. I knew that 550 was gonna be a problem. I already knew that was gonna be a problem. I knew that was coming. Just trying not to get taken out. I'm trying not to get taken out, guys, because it's pulling close and close to my stop loss. I'm trying my hardest, man. I'm trying my hardest. I just need these bears to keep these bad boys underneath where we can push back up, create some type of bear trap, and push them back down. Because I don't want to get taken out. Keep them underneath 52. 52. Keep them underneath 52. Bear trap. I mean, bull trap them. Come on, bears. Keep them underneath. Come on, Spy. I'm trying my hardest not to make it hit my stop loss. I'm trying my hardest, guys. That's why I'm trying to wait to see if it's gonna be a bear trap where they can push it back down. Cause they push it back down, I'm still good. You know, they can create a bull trap right where that 9 EMA is at. Cause right now you still need the 9 EMA, right at 552. So right now, okay. So let's see. Let's see what these buys. Let's see. What we got left on this count? Oh shit, we got about 12 minutes too. Come on, Bears. Trap them. Create these bull traps. Do not allow them to get back above 52. I'm trying not to get my stop loss hit. I'm trying to hold it. Trying. Let me see. What I got left, guys? I got an hour left before I head on out. So I'm just trying to see what I can do with this situation before I head out. Because I'm watching that 552 level. Because Bears should be trying to move in. Because that should be the new supply zone. As long as those Bears can keep those buys underneath that level, I mean, that belongs to the Bears. So what they need to do is keep them out of that level. Because now the Bears move down. Now the Bears have slowly moved down. So let's see if this is going to be somewhat of a bull trap. Let's see if it's going to be a bull trap as they try to push up. Let's see, can they trap these bulls? Let's see, can they trap these bulls underneath that 52 level? Still watching, guys. What time we got left? Still got some time. So I'm watching NVIDIA too. NVIDIA's trying to get this push back up towards that dang indicator, towards that uptrend. Just keeping us on watch. Hopefully this bull trap can hold. Cause that'll prevent from it hitting my stop loss. Even if I double it, if I was to add, well, can I add another? Yeah, I could add another towards those lows. Add one more just to see. I mean, just to test it, just to give it a chance on that. To add another one in there. But I'll still keep my stop loss. Where is that though? Let me see if I can do that. Tesla's back above. Oh Lord, let me see. Let me see if we gonna stay underneath this 52 level. Cause I was gonna add another one, but let me see. I want to add another, but I want to make sure we stay underneath 52. Because like I said, I would add another. Instead, keep my stop loss. I hope it don't hit my stop loss. Stay underneath. Do not hit my stop loss. Ooh, it's right there too. It's right by my stop loss. I'm just hoping it don't hit it. Because I just need them. I need the Bears to stay underneath 52. If it pushes it back above 52, it may hit my stop loss. Stay underneath. Because I want to add another one, but I want to keep my stop loss right where it's at. But I want to make sure we stay underneath that bad boy. Alright, so far. Stay underneath 52. What we got left? 9 minutes. I just want to make sure we stay under 52. That's the main thing. This candle that we're gonna stay underneath, because I don't want to get taken out, man. Because if those buys blast past back 52, it's gonna hit my stop loss. Because I'm trying to hold it. I'm trying to hold it to see, just to set up for a bull trap where buyers can step back in and push. I mean, bears. Because I want to add another one, but I want to make sure that level holds. Sorry about that for my charts. Let me see. Cause that bad boy is trying to push towards it. Let me see. Don't break it. Stay underneath it. Don't do it. Don't you dare do it. God, if it squeezes above, it's gonna take me out. I was gonna try to add another one and watch. It's gonna take me out and then go back. Let me see. I think it might try to take. I think he's gonna try to take me out. Come on, Bass. Keep those buys out of that territory, man. Don't let them reclaim it. Keep him out of 52. Keep him out of 52. Keep him out. 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 Because I'm trying to not get my stop loss taken out. I'm trying my hardest to hold this level. Come on. Come on, Bears. I think it might take me out. Damn it. 8. It took me out. Damn it. It hit it. So 8. God dang it. Man, I was trying to, like I said, I had my stop loss set. God, dog. Because I was about to add another one. Especially if we would have stayed on E580, 52, I was going to add another one to see can we get that rejection back down. God, dog, it hit my, I'm still watching. Matter of fact, let me, could I use the same contract? I'm gonna see how this gonna close out. Man, had to hit my damn stop loss. Excuse me. Because right now we're still underneath 52 right now. We're underneath it. So we're still underneath it. Bears are still trying to keep them underneath it. And it would hit my stop loss right here. Let me see what we got left. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Still keeping his own watch, guys. Still watching 52. Still watching 52. Because I know it's going to be tricky using the same contract. I know, trust. I know. All the Bears have to do is keep them underneath 52. Keep them underneath because they don't want them to reclaim that again because they'll go back into being a possible demand zone if they get back into that 52 level. And they slowly trying pushing that bad boy. Let me see. Let me look at the one for tomorrow. Let me see. Man, I was literally trying to hold it. I was trying to hold it as long as I could. So let me see because the buys are trying to slowly move back into their territory. They're trying to reclaim that 52 level. Let's see. Man, I was literally trying to hold it. I was literally trying to hold it for dear life. I was trying to hold that bad boy. Yep, and they started squeezing right back up. Man. I was anticipating we was gonna get this pullback. We got this bounce. It's all good. It's all good. That's why I had my stop loss just in case I wouldn't get stuck in that contract. It's all good. I mean, $8 I can easily get back. That's nothing. I mean, that's nothing. That's nothing. So let me see. What can I use? I think we didn't went up a lot though on that other one, so I can't even. What was my other contract was set at? 43. Let me see. How that one look? That's the puts. Oh yeah, that one pulled back for sure. It pulled back, but that bad boy went on a definite run. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm still keeping everything on watch. Man, I was literally trying to hold it. Them damn Bears couldn't hold the dang Bulls out of that position. I mean, let's see how we're gonna close. And, let's see if we're gonna close back on top of 52 or we're gonna get pushed back underneath that 52 level. Let's keep it on watch. Man, I was trying to hold it. It's all good though. It's all good. Cause I was gonna ride it out to the damn near towards the market close, and I was gonna get out, but we didn't get that pullback underneath that 50. I was anticipating. may try to run back up towards that 53.90 level. It may try to push back up towards this level here first. I think that's what it may be trying to aim for. They're gonna try to aim for that price point. It may try to aim for that 53.91, almost 54 level. So let's see. Man, that was it's all good, man. Your boy tried. Let's see. Go to yellow. Let me see what the price is on this one. 13, back down to the 7s. What I got left on this one? 6. For what? 44? Definitely getting that spike back up. Like I said, watch that key level, guys. Let me put this back gray so you can see everything. I apologize. And there go, there go that little spike out of nowhere. There go that little spike out of nowhere. Try to aim for that. Gonna try to aim for this price point right here. So let's see. Keep it on watch. So we got about what 1 minute left? What 30 seconds left? It's 30 seconds left. So let's see what's gonna happen as we push up towards that VWAP and that 553.91 level. So let's see what we get from that price point. Let's see what we get. You still haven't broken it back above that price point yet. We got what? New candle about to come in right now, guys. Right about now. All right, let's see. Keep this on watch. Let me see. Man, we were so close. I think we could possibly still, retest that 50 level. I mean, it's still a possibility. We do, buyers, bears do come in again. We fall right back underneath that 52 level. I mean, it's still a possibility. But I was trying to go for it right here. I was trying to aim for it. I thought we was gonna get that pullback all the way down. But man, came down as low as 549.68. This thing is still like it's making a downtrend setup even on that 180 chart though. So I still don't see it still looks bearish. That's the thing. It still looks bearish. Now watch. I'll be damned. If we go back underneath 52 after this, we're gonna see. See call contracts for the day 65. Man, even the call contracts on me looking terrible. I still think it's. So right now, guys, we back on top of 52 at this moment. We back on top of 52. Back on top of 52 at the moment. And all they're doing is almost making the same exact setup, just like Nvidia. Got that engulfing green candle followed by that small red candle, almost looking like a bull flag pattern. Same thing with SPY. I swear that thing fall back underneath 52, and it. I'm gonna be highly pissed if we do that. After it just did what it did to me. Let me see. What was my old contract I was using? Well, I'm gonna put side on the wrong side. Let me see. It was what 40. No, today the 4, 13. Today 13. Let me see. What was that price point? Let me see. 45. 45 moved down some. Let me see. How that one look? Right back into the 9s. Oh man, let me see what's gonna happen around 52 again, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen at 52. We back at that price point once again. Let's see. Cause to me, I mean, like I said, the way this is setting up, it just still looks bearish. I mean, I don't think this. I just don't think it's gonna hold. I think we're gonna still pull back soon. So, but we're gonna keep it on watch. Like I said, I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled on this 552 level. Cause right now you slightly underneath it. What time it is? Oh shit, we still got some time for this to close out. I'm still keeping this on watch, see where we go. That's why I didn't go in full position, just to see who was gonna break that 550. That's why I didn't go in full position, because I already knew it was gonna get some little turbulence around 550. I knew that was coming. I was trying to see if we was gonna break it or we gonna crack it. You know, back on down to the 548s, 546s, but we got that bounce back on that first. Because the route we were going, I mean, I was anticipating we was gonna keep cracking, but got that bounce right here and took my stop loss up. So I was trying to hold it. I was gonna ride it on. I was gonna ride that bad boy down to the 545s if we would have continuously kept pulling back, but those buys held at 550 level. I mean, I tried, man. I literally tried. Today is let me use. I'm trying to figure out something I want to do. See, back underneath 50. See, we still testing 52 again. What we got? What time we got? Still got 10 minutes. So 10 minutes still. So I want to see if we're going to close on top or back underneath it. We got Nvidia back. What about Tesla? Tesla is above 540. Sorry, 240. It's above 2. Well, where we at right now? Oh, we're back underneath it. I'm sorry. We're back underneath 240. So I'm trying to see if it's going to create that inverted cup and handle pattern. Keep this on watch, guys. Keep this on watch. So, I mean, as of now, I mean, as long as you stay on top of the 552 levels, I mean, bulls will still hold that floor, 52 floor, with that possible push up to 54. As long as they hold 52, you're back on top of it. To me, it just still looks bearish. That's why I'm just like, I don't know. It just still looks bearish, like we still downtrending. Because you got a lot of grounds to cover. Because you're going to have to break back, towards all these price points. Like, there's a lot of areas. So, I mean, bulls, they have to come back, like, come in aggressive. Because they're going to have to get back on top of all these price points. They're going to have to get back on top of all those areas. So yeah, I'm just keeping this on watch right now, guys. Keep it on watch. So a little bit of a bounce back up. Man, had it been Nvidia in them, Nvidia pushed, I mean, we would have kept dropping. Nvidia and them bounced off to that 115 level and then pushed it right back up. Then got back on top of the trend line. That's crazy. I mean, like I said, I couldn't get in earlier because my OBS kept crashing. I had to restart that. That's why I missed my trades this morning. Give me some watch, guys. Let me see. I don't know. I don't know. I'm still leaning bearish. I mean, I am. I'm just still leaning bearish right now. I'm still on the bearish side of things. still think we got some more room to still come down. I still believe that. I still think we got room to still fall back down into those low areas. Wouldn't have been for this dang spike right here. If it wouldn't have been for that crap, we would have continued to fall into the 540s. Had to been this point. Had to been. Still watching the video, still holding this level. Like I said, as far as Tesla, he's still fighting the 240 level. Man. What we got left, guys? Still got a few minutes left, guys, before I head on out. If y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, guys, do feel free to reach out to me. If y'all need help with anything. Let me check out everything else. What about Google? What's Google doing? Did Google bounce back up? Google getting a little, still ain't, I don't see too much. AMD, crack this trend line. Apple, still trending. Amazon, still downtrending. So that's why I'm thinking that, man, to me the market is still just, because where's the open? Open is all the way at what, 58? I don't see no other patterns. I don't see like no to give me a heads up. Just don't see no other patterns at this moment. Just a straight move down and 550, boom, bounce back up. So far you didn't bounce back up $2 so far. I still think it's gonna be some room to pull back. I still think so. Especially after these bulls push, I think we're gonna start to hit some more resistance. So I'm gonna keep it on watch because right now buyers are trying to step in right now. Buyers are definitely still trying to step in. So maybe doing like a red to green right now. Buyers, buyers trying to step in after the sellers then pushed it all the way down to 550. So buyers may be trying to step back in. The way this is setting up, man, this is still setting up for a possible pull right now. So I'm gonna watch that I'm gonna watch this level here. 553.91, 554 level. So I'm gonna watch this to see where we go from here. Let me see 65. Let me see these contracts. Let me see something. Let's see. Where we at on these contracts? Still pushing up. Alright, let me go to red. I'm still keeping on watch because I just still think we may pull back some more. I mean, I'm gonna keep it on watch, see where we go, how we gonna close out, because we still need the 63 level. We still need some major key areas. So I'm gonna see what's gonna happen at the especially around power hour, because this thing is still setting up bearish. I mean, it's just still look bearish to me. So that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna go ahead and let the buyers have a turn real quick. Let me see. See what they're gonna try to push up to. Right now you still got that VWAP that we're gonna have to cross. Still need the VWAP level. What NVIDIA's doing? Still holding? Right back where the open is. Cause like I said, we fall back underneath that 52. So that's the main thing. We fall back underneath 552. I'm telling you, man. I mean, I'm gonna attempt it again. If we close back underneath 552, because I'm still, anticipating to see can we pull back, towards those lows of the 540. So I'm gonna keep it on watch. I'm gonna see where we go from here from that 552 level. Because we still haven't broke out of that downtrend setup. Downtrend is still holding. We still need that bad boy. Underneath the VWAP. Because if we fall back underneath that 52, I'm telling you. I'm going for it again. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going for it. Especially if we stay underneath it. So I'm going to see if we're going to close underneath it for possible pull back. I'm going to see. So let me get mine. Because I'm trying to figure out if I want to use today's contract, like getting in and out type of thing. I'm still debating if I want to do that. So let me see. Today's contract. So they move. Let me see, 46-ish. Let me see how these look real quick. Oh boy, damn you Nvidia. Damn you Nvidia and Tesla. Had to been them two to bounce back. Let me see how Tesla looking. Still testing that 240 level? Yep, still at 240. Still testing this level. Because like I said, the buy's gonna have to push through a lot of areas because you got so much resistance above your head. So that's why I'm trying to figure out how, how far they're trying to push. Because the only closest area I see as of now is gonna be that 553.91, 554 level, like right here. That's the only area I see, the closest area as of now. Because other than that, I mean, they're gonna have to go for a bullish push to regain all those areas. Still watching this capital. I'm just still watching. I'm watching that 552 level. I'm still watching 552. Still watching that bad boy. Playing my emotions, man. Definitely playing my emotions. Wait, what time? Oh no, it's 2:30. No, I was thinking about. I don't know why I was thinking about the 10-year note auction. That already passed. That already happened. Yeah, what time was this? Cause that was what 2 o'clock. Yeah. So we don't think we had no data at no 2 o'clock. I don't think so. Let me see. Let me double check this, guys. Let me see. I don't think we had no data at 2. No, we ain't have no data at 2. Must have just been just a momentum push. Cause I don't see anything else. All right, guys, got about 30 minutes, and I'll be heading on out. If y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, guys, do feel free to reach out to me. As a matter of fact, let me look at my chart. Let me see something. Let me figure something out real quick. Hold up. Let me flip that chart upside down. I'm gonna see it from a put standpoint. Let me see where we at on that bad boy. Let me see. Let me take a look at it real quick. I want to check something out. Let me see. Where did we get rejected at? Yep, right at 550. All right. Let me see. Let me see. I'm gonna have to use. I got tomorrow's contract right now. Let me see. My bad, guys. Let me see. I'm watching puts contracts right now, so we're definitely getting rejected at 550. But it's not a. Let me see. Because the main area is at 540. It's the main thing I see. Let me go back up. 550 level. So I'm trying to look at it from the put standpoint too, just to See if we had any interruptions around that area. 550, 550, 550, 550, 550. Oh, there we go, 550. I see 560, 560. All right, here we go, 550. All right, let me see. I should still see that 540 level. That's the main area I see. So let me see if this little pullback is gonna be somewhat temporary. I mean, that spike. I mean, that's gonna be around what, 50? So that'd be here. Let me see. I'm keep this on watch. So I'm just keeping this. I'm trying to see what we can. All right, let me see what I can do. All right, let me see. So I'm gonna look at this put chart. So I'm gonna just try to see if I can go off of that one real quick. So let me see what I can do, guys. Let me see. Yep, right back down. 54.50. Uptrend is still holding. Let me see. Let me go to my contracts real quick. Let me see something. Hold up. That's the 13th. I need one for the 14th tomorrow, not today. Let me see. Oh man, the dang chart keep. I hate when it keep doing that at chat box. I hate when it does that. I don't know why it does that. It's annoying. All right, so what are you guys looking at right now, guys? What are you guys looking at? All right, so yeah, what are you guys watching as of now? Because I'm trying to look at it from the. Puts chart as well. So I'm just trying to figure something out. What level was this? I think we're above that already. Let me see. Yeah, right. Wait, let me see. Scroll it over a little bit more. And what is this? So I gotta get 7s. Shit, let me see. So I want to see a push where I can pull back real quick. Let me see something. I'm trying to add, let me see, will it let me add something to it? Let me see. Oh, you dirty somebody. Let me see. Let me see something. I knew I was gonna do that crap. Let me see. 550. Yeah, I mean, and I knew it was gonna have some complication. I mean, not complication, but I knew that because that's your $half mark, and I knew right there. That's why I kept my eyes peeled. That's why I was like, I knew it was gonna get a lot of back and forth around 550 because that's the $half mark, and that's like the last line of defense before you actually fall out of the 550 range. So I had a feeling we was gonna get some type of movement by those buyers around that 550 level. Man, I was anticipating we was gonna crack it because the route that we were going, I mean, was up. Basically, the market was weak. I mean, it was sellers, and boy, once you got right here, they just came out of nowhere, and that's because, I mean, you got Nvidia pushed out of nowhere. That's what helped it, Nvidia got that bounce off of 115, spiked back up. That's where you got the spike from. And Tesla, you fell down towards that 235 level. Then you got that push. So that's where that occurred. That was those two mainly. That's mainly what happened, boss. Matter of fact, let me check my see what I got left. Let me check real quick. What do I got left on this bad boy? Should have. Nah, let me see. Balance. I should have something to still trade with. I mean, where's it at? Wait, where's my balance at? Wait, is this the right one? Oh, here we go. So wait, that's weird. So why is it showing 50? I can trade, like, as far as settle funds, 50. Something is off. Hold on, let me see. It's showing settle funds. I at least got 50 to still trade with, but when I was trying to get a trade, it wouldn't let me do it. Yep, 50-50. The hell? So let me see. Okay, let me grab that one. Well, go as low as that. Let me see. What about 5? I get 5. So why the hell? Okay, whatever. It's just whatever. Here we go, testing that 553.91 level, guys. I was trying to get this damn thing to, man. It's showing settled funds. I have like 50 settled funds to still even trade with, but I'm not. It wouldn't let me do it. For some apparent stupid reason. I might have to use this one. I hate using whatchamacallit. I really hate using this one. It's a pain in my, you know what? I hate using this one. So let me see. Oh, let me use SQQ's chart too. Let me see what we got on that bad boy. SQQ's too, just to see, because SQQ and them still in green. So let's see. Man, it's still looking like it's holding. So 38. As we push up towards that, I mean, I would just, let me see. It's gonna let me add something. I'm gonna just do it just to see if it's gonna let me do it. Cause right at one of the resistance levels, I want to see. All right, let's see what we get. So that's what I'm trying to let it just. What we gonna close? What we got left? 3 minutes. 3 minutes, and we still underneath that price point. So 3 minutes, we still underneath whatchamacallit. So we still underneath that 553.91. So we still need that bad boy. So we still haven't broken above that and the VWAP. So we still haven't broken above those price points. So I'm watching that for sure. Green Days, what trades you made today, boss? Let me see. At 5. So what you made so far? Like I said, the reason why I couldn't go in earlier, man, because once my OBS crashed, I had to reset everything, so I couldn't even focus on the dang trade. That's what messed me up early this morning. Everything's still pushing. Yep, Nvidia's still pushing. Still trying to get back at 118. Still haven't broken 118 yet. What about Tesla? Tesla's on top of 240. Back on top of 240. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, and the thing about it said I had settled funds for 50, and for some reason wouldn't let me even pull the damn trigger. I mean, because it made that rejection noise. For some reason wouldn't let me do it, but it showed I got 50. I just went into the Charles Schwab thing and checked it and said I had 50 to trade with. Settled funds left for today, but for some reason it didn't do nothing. So 3 minutes left. Let me see. So I'm gonna watch to see. All right, wait from that 40 down to the 38. Down to the 38. So I want to see, can I play this? Because the way this, I mean, I'm gonna see if this is gonna be setting up for some possible trap. Because tomorrow's what, consumer sentiments tomorrow. So all right, let me see. 44 back down to the 38. All right, let me see. So right now we're still getting rejected underneath that 543. I'm sorry, 553.91. 553.91. We got about 2 minutes and I'm still watching that in that BWAP still. Still watching that in the VWAP. So I'm just keeping my eyes peeled to see where we go from here, guys. Just still watching. So I'm still just being patient. Because I tried to give it a go. Like I said, I thought we was going to get that pullback, but man, we got that bounce right at 550. Right at 550. But I didn't minus my stop loss because, I mean, we didn't get it. I was like, all right, cool. so as we do push back on up, we still got a lot of resistance to recover. That's the reason why I'm looking too. You still got these floor levels still. You got that 50 SMA still. You still got these old clothes up here. Because like I said, if the buyers want to turn this around, they're going to have to blast past all of these areas. Because they're going to have, in other words, they're going to have to end with an engulfing green candle. They're going to have to close today with an engulfing green candle. That's the only way. Like, because they're going to have to bypass. I mean, in other words, they're going to have to get back above 560. 560. They're going to still have to get above that level. Because that's going to put you in a safe zone. That's going to break you out of that downtrend setup. That's going to, put you on the bullish side of the thing. Bullish side of the fence. Because right now the market is still off. It's just still off. So that's what I'm just saying. It might just be a little bullish, little run right now. So let's see if that's going to last. I'm trying to get a gap right above that price point, right above 553.90, 553.91, and that VWAP. Let's see if that bad boy gonna hold. Cause pull down. The better. So if he pull back, cool. I'll let it do its thing. Let me see how this one looks. How this one looks. Let me see. Oops. I didn't mean to press the button. Oh, it didn't reject it anyway. It didn't take it any damn way. Let me see. Oh, you little bastard. Didn't even take it. Let me see. See, watch, you're going to hit a rejection button. Let me see if I can try it. See? See what I mean? The hell? What time it is? 56. Oops. Nope. I didn't mean to press the button. Oh, crap. I accidentally got it. I pressed the button by mistake. Oh, shit. That was an accident. Oh, crap. I did not mean to do that. Ah, shoot. Ah, crap. I did not mean to do that. Ah, damn. Let me see. Yeah, I did not mean to do that. I was trying to hurry up and cancel it, and I couldn't do it. I was like, crap. I couldn't press the button to get out. Shit. It took my damn order on accident. Crap. It's not what I was trying to do. It's a small position, but that's not what I was trying to do. Boy, I tell you. God dog it. Let me see. I'm going to keep it on watch. Is this set for? Oh, it's set for tomorrow. But yeah, I was not trying to do that. Crap. Keep it on watch, guys. Yeah, my bad. I accidentally pressed the damn button. It is what it is. Let's see. All right, guys, I got about 13 minutes before I head on out. If y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, do feel free to reach out to me, guys. I'm here to help you guys with whatever you need help with. Can't believe I did that. I can't. That was not trying to do that. I accidentally pressed the button. Ah. It's all good. Yeah, right here, boss. Yeah, so right now you're holding above that 553.91 level. So I'm definitely keeping this on watch. Yeah, definitely trying to hold above the VWAP. Is Nvidia still pushing? Cause we still got room to push up to that 118 level. Still got room to push up to 118. That's where your resistance is gonna lie at on Nvidia is gonna be 118. Tesla, 245. And I can't believe I did that. Shoot. Oh. I pressed the button. I accidentally pressed the button to the put contract, and I was trying to set it for the call contract because I had both of my contracts open. I was like, oh shit, and I couldn't. I was trying to cancel it, but it was too late. I accidentally pressed it for the put and then to go to call. Oh boy, the day not my day right now. Not my day. Let's see. I mean, it's a small position. Ain't nothing. I mean, nothing big. But I accidentally pressed. I went to the wrong contract. That was a mistake. Crap. I'm gonna keep it on watch though, guys. I'll keep it on watch. So I'm only down just SQQQ. I went to the wrong contract. I went to the wrong damn one. I had two contracts open. It is what it is. I'm gonna keep it on watch, see where we go. What time it is? About 10 minutes until power hour. 10 minutes. I was trying to hurry up hit that cancel button so quick. That bad boy just took it. I was like, damn it. Let me see. So I'm gonna just keep it on watch. Yeah, that was a fluke. What's up, Chart Queen? I see you coming through. I see you. With her beautiful self, always on those always on trips. Always gramming it up. Do it for the gram. I mean, me personally, I'm just gonna be honest, Queen. I was thinking that we could still see 540. 540. Cause okay, well, you use the same chart. If you look at what funk it, I'll show you. Cause so you don't have to go through all that hassle. I'll do it. Now the only reason why I was calling out 540 was because I'll go back a little bit. I mean, we was damn near by it. I mean, we're damn near about to touch that 540 range. So, based off of the past. So, right here, we was in this old channel in August of 2024 last year. So, you can see right here where we got rejected around that 563.50 level, 564 level. We got rejected. And then we got that nice pullback from the 560 down to the 540s. Same thing. The deeper pullback we had was from the 560 down to the 520s, which was a $40 pullback. But then we wound up recovering. Wind up getting back above 540, back up to 560. So this were the drawings I came up with. This was the drawings I came up with too, right here, Queen. So this is what I was. I mean, like I said, I'll take your inputs on it. On what you think. So this is what I came up with. I drew one scenario where I said we could possibly go for a possible inverted head and shoulders like pattern, something to this nature after this dump on off, because we haven't developed a pattern after this pullback. We've been on a bearish rally, versus this way when we went on a bullish rally, we was building some type of pattern where we was building up higher lows. So it was like a pullback, bounce, pullback, bounce, pullback, bounce. But this way we just went straight all the way down. We haven't created anything. So we haven't even created even a lower high. So, towards this area where we can start to, build up our points, and create some type of downtrend. It's just been down, 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 down. So what I'm thinking is, again, that in due time we could possibly see a pullback down to 540. And another reason why I'm saying that is because buyers may want to try to buy in low before the Fed's meeting come out, which is next week on the 19th, Wednesday. So that was one case scenario. So if we do get a bounce at 540, get that run back up to 560 for a nice deeper drop on down towards 520. Because those psychologically are where the buyers came in at, 520, 540. So that was one case scenario right there, Queen. Second one was just the 540, 560 range, where we could pull back down to 540 towards those old areas where buyers stepped in at, where we could stay in this range between 540, 560 and the $20 range till we get that those buys to step in and get that push. But both will still end up in a downtrend breakout. We'll break out of this downtrend setup and break out towards the upside. So that was my scenarios. That was my scenarios and what I was thinking. So I'm gonna still keep it on watch. Anything, we'll see. Oh, so we pulling back? Oh, so we all pulling back underneath that 5 though. Damn, that was a mistake that turned to a positive. So so that was a mistake that turned to a positive. So I'll take that. Okay. So let me see what time we got. Almost 5 minutes. So I'm gonna see if we're gonna stay underneath that 553.91. So I'm gonna see if we're gonna stay underneath 553.91. I mean, that'll cover that small loss I took. $8. Ooh. So we do continuously pull back down towards that 52. I'm gonna hold it. I'll hold it. I'm gonna see where we go from here. So right now we got about 6 minutes, guys. In about 6 minutes, I'm gonna be rolling on out. So I'll see where we go, man. Cause like I said, I actually accidentally got in on that contract on accident, but it may work out. We'll see. It may work out for the best. We'll see. We'll see. So we'll watch that 553.91 level still. We back underneath the VWAP, so I'm still keeping that on watch. We got about 5 minutes till this candle closes out. So I'll see where we go from there. Cause I know the market is. Trust me, guys. I know a lot of you guys caught headaches throughout this week, throughout the past 2 weeks. Due to the talks of the tariffs, the market. But if you think about it, overall, the market has just been downtrending, period. That's basically what it's been doing. The market is just straight downtrending. If you think about it. Because I know a lot of people wanted to go long, and, I wanted to go long at some points and times. But once I took a step back and looked at the overall look, we were still on a constant downtrend. So I know a lot of us were catching headaches, for those, those bounces. But, I went through it too. So don't feel left out. I went through it too. I was like, oh man, we found a bottom, and then it cracked. Oh man, we found a bottom, then it cracked. Oh man, we got a bottom, then it cracked. I was like, but to me, I think the most reasonable area, if we get it, to me, it's gonna be around that 540 range. We could get it. We came down as low as 549, 68. We did dip. We did take a little dip in the 540s. We did take a little dip.
Stark CS is now following on
Z-Dog,
Twitch.
what's up, boss? Thank you so much for the follow, man. You have a blessed one, man. Thank you so much. Appreciate you, boss. Appreciate you. Hope y'all stay blessed, man. Blessed and safe out there. So, like I said, next week, the main thing that we're going to have is going to be the FOMC meeting. That's going to be Wednesday. Matter of fact, let me put this up. Let me go back to my Feds meeting, so at least y'all have it. I'm gonna still remind you guys, but let me go back to it real quick to the Feds, so I can update you on this. So let's see, Feds meeting, March. 5 days left to the meeting, and that's gonna be March 19th. What is that? Where's it at? Yeah, March 19th, next meeting. All right. Feds meeting, that'll be March, that'll be Wednesday, March 19th. All right, next, let me see, the next FOMC meeting Wednesday, and that'll be next week. At least y'all have that, y'all know. And also I will put the I'll put the link just in case y'all need the link. cool. Paste, copy. Bam. All right, there y'all go. So March 19th next week. Yeah, that is Wednesday, right? Make sure it's Wednesday. I think it is. Yeah, it should be. Yeah, Wednesday. All right, so let me go ahead and post that to my other crew. Post that to you guys too as well. So there y'all go for the feds, and let me post that in Dex chat as well. Let me post that in his chat. So next feds meeting is gonna be March 19th. Let me go here, put that in his alerts. So at least he'll have that set. All right, cool. Yep, Wednesday, March 19th next week. Got it. All right, cool. So Deck got it. What time it is? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I'm still watching this key level. I'm trying to see what, if we're gonna hold that key level. I want to watch it. I want to see. It look like buys are trying to get back. They're trying to get on top of it within 2 minutes. Let's see. Still watching, guys. Still watching. So let's see. They're trying to get that push on top of that price point. What we got left? 2 minutes. Almost a minute. That's crazy how certain price points, on how the market creeps up on certain key areas. That's crazy on how it does that. Like, especially on a 15-minute time frame, it's like you can see them slowly trying to get up to a certain price, at a certain time before a candle closes out. Like like you see what they trying to do. Like they purposely do it. But it's crazy to watch that though. On how they try to close the body right on top of that price point that we talked about. That's crazy to watch that, on how they do that. Like at the nick of time. That's insane to watch that. We got left a minute, guys. 30 seconds. I got about 20 seconds. 20 seconds. So I'm gonna soon be heading on out, guys. I'm gonna soon be heading on out. And look at that. Look at that. Holding right on top of it. What we got left? 10 seconds. See, watch. They're gonna try to get on top of it. See? Right in the nick of time. They're trying to get on top of it. Oh, they came underneath it. Oh, never mind. I thought I was gonna gap on top. That boy gapped underneath it. Let me see. I'm gonna keep it on watch though. I'll keep it on watch. See who we go. I thought it was gonna gap up on top of that bad boy. We'll see. That's crazy. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. Man, shout out to everybody on all platforms, man. Twitch, YouTube, Tradecaster, man. You guys have been doing an amazing job. I couldn't be more proud of this team, man. So let me give y'all some love real quick. Shout out to y'all. Nadia, thank you so much for the super chats and everything this week. Thank you so much for that. Appreciate you for that. Other than that, I'm going to close this off. And like I said, if you are new to my channel, guys, do your boy a favor, man. Go to YouTube.com or go to Traedz TV on YouTube and smash that subscribe button. We're on that road to 1K subs, guys. Mike, I see you, boss. We're on that road to 1K subs, trying to get monetized for these videos, man. So if you don't mind doing me a favor, because right now we're in the 900s, up to 909. So we got about 90 to 80 more people to subscribe till we get across that 1K bracket. So man, thank you guys for just smashing those buttons and showing y'all love and support. If you already subscribed, hit the like button, share a comment. If you're on Twitch, follow or subscribe. Appreciate you. So let me go ahead and give some love to all the people that came through today. Chris Miller, Seb Roy, shout out to you. Jackie, shout out to you, Queen, for coming through too. D Nice. Who else we had in the building? Demento. Let's see who came through. Hustle and Flow. Brent. Shout out to you, boss. Thank y'all so much for everything, man. Let me go say it. Last but not least, you already know what time it is, man. My team, my day ones. Let me go back up to the charts. What's today? 13, right? I'll make sure I get everybody's name. Because and do apologize for earlier today, man. We had a lot of malfunctions due to OBS crashing. So I do apologize about that. So I know I'm going to have a lot of clips out that's not going to be all together. So I do apologize about that. So let me give some love to who else came through. We got Insider, Jenna, Thunder, Hoops, Dan. Who else we had in the building? Jordan Queen. That's my day one too. Jordan Queen. Mike, Trader Mike. Who else? AK-47, Deck, Active. Who else we had in the building? Queen, Green Days, Nate Traedz. Hoops, I already hit you up. I already said your name. CB Goods. Who else we had? Ethan. Shout out to you too, boss. What's my other boy name? Because I don't know if I missed it. I think I said Ethan already. Nuno. Shout out to you. Let's see. Who else we got? Idaho Broker, shout out to you, boss. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for coming through. And we're going to kill it, man. Thank y'all so much. Actor, thank you so much for coming through too, boss. Guys, I will be back in tomorrow. I will have the pre-market open up at 9 o'clock. We'll go live at 9:15 Eastern, 8:15 Central. And you already know Fridays I do half a day. Tomorrow we will have consumer sentiments tomorrow. That's going to be at 10 o'clock if I'm not mistaken. I'll double check that. But other than that, guys, man, congratulations on your profits, man. Job well done. And we're going to knock it out the park in this week with a bang and see what the FOMC meeting is going to have to say next week, Wednesday. So other than that, man, guys, I hope you guys have a blessed night. Stay safe. And you already know what I'm about to say before I head on out. You know what time it is. Maximize your reward. Minimize your risk. Always put grateful over greed and you will succeed every single time. Have a blessed night, guys. See y'all tomorrow for Fast Cash Friday. Love y'all. Peace.